Good morning, friends. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, energetic, powerful expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, Terry. It's so good to see you. Good morning, everyone. Hello to Abhishek and Magnus, Nate and Trevor and Aaron and everybody else at MyFundedTV. And hello there, MyFundedFutures in the offices. So, how's it going, Terry? Good morning. Good to see you. How was the weekend? Tell me about it.
Oh, it was fantastic. It was very relaxing. I did some back testing, some reflecting, got to go see a movie, went out to eat. It was a full weekend. How was your weekend?
Oh my gosh. Well, I was just saying this, I was playing video games all weekend. Like, I'm a video game guy. I can't help it. I love video games. But anyway, I enjoyed it. But I'm relaxed. Don't worry. I'm refreshed. I can't wait to trade. So much going to happen this week. I'm sure this is going to be the best week ever, guys. It's going to be amazing.
Ever?
Ever. Yeah. It's just going to be better and better, but every week is just better and better. It's just never going to get worse. That's the best.
Absolutely. Let's welcome Pine Tree Trader and Methodical Man.
Good morning.
Hey!
Good morning.
Guys,
What's
look
up?
at the hair. Look at the hair implant. It's still there.
Once
It's
a week.
working.
It's there once a week.
Once a week only. All right.
That's it.
How are
After
you
that-
guys?
Oh, good.
Doing great.
Nice.
Ready to get this party started. Monday.
Mhm.
Monday. Welcome back, everyone. Today is Monday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. At 10:30, we have Corey and Forex Ike, and that's the schedule for today.
Thank you, Terry. Yeah, well, we're going to have lots of fun today, but just a quick review on the chart of what happened today. So this is let me switch to the 5 minutes. So 5-minute NQ chart here. Let's see what really happened. We dropped a little bit lower in the London session, and I was trying to take some scalps here and there, but overall, as we went lower than what was the previous day low, that was actually a Friday low at 220. It started to. I almost thought that we're gonna go into a free fall, which might happen, that we're gonna tag 29K because it's really close. But then eventually started to, get some bullish strength there and kind of, went back into that swing high at 266. What I'm trying to say is nothing really happened. In the Asia session, there was some congestion area around the 280s or around the midnight area. So other than, taking out some lows and then slowly recovering, that's all that happened with NQ. No special level here to go with on the bullish side, only one. There's a 5-minute supply zone that I really like at 348, which is also like an order block for those of you who are trading smart money concepts. So he's starting at 341. If by some reason we would be, going above 284, then maybe I would be looking for buys just to get back into that level. Otherwise, it kind of feels like, if I zoom out, I don't really want to zoom out too much, and I'm not using trend lines here, but the thing is, if I just put this here, it kind of feels like it's just ready to drop down again. So taking that swing low at 171 and going lower, it's quite a possibility. I do have a zone here. I mean, it's not a zone. I think it's a fair value gap from the daily or the 4-hour. Let me just check it for you guys. So yeah, that's hold on. Yeah, that's a daily fair value gap. Okay, I just switched to the daily. So we have a daily fair value gap at 831, 28,831. So everything is kind of looks good for a drop, and I'm just going to switch to ES, and we might have a better view here, because ES, if I switch to the daily chart, I usually don't trade. I'm not really watching the ES, but this is the daily chart right here. And it's pretty obvious that, we have some really good levels here. We have a daily fair value gap at 76.28. We have an unbalanced price range, actually a liquidity void way down there at 75.42. So, but what's most important is that the previous day candle, which is in this case the Friday candle, Thursday candle, I feel like ES is almost like ready to take those levels out, which is at 76.61 and 76.57 on the micro here. So if I switch back to the 5-minute, it just kind of feels like I also put an alert there that it might want to try one more time after sweeping the highs here at 76.85, one more time to drop lower. Now, this is what I think. This is why I think that NQ might gonna drop a little bit lower, but who knows? But that's all I see on ES. And just a quick look on gold. Gold is nicely pushing higher. There is I think a 4-hour or daily fair value gap up there at 47.69. During the London session, it was also kind of overlapping candle sideways action. I thought that we might gonna drop down to 46.83. There's a really good 5-minute fair value gap. It tried multiple times during the Asia session, London session, twice in the London session almost. So it tried to go down there to that level, that 46.83. It didn't. Instead, it's kind of shooting higher. So I would say if it stays here, then 47.69 would be a good target. Otherwise, I don't really have any other thing to do with it. If we would somehow trade below the 4700, maybe I would target that 5-minute gap. It's a really good level of liquidity, I think. So maybe, just maybe, again, we need to trade and close below 4700 in order to do that. And that might not be a huge distance, but it could be a good scalp for gold traders. But yeah, focusing on NQ as always, and I'm kind of waiting for ES to drop and pull down NQ with it. So ready to go short. And obviously, if we trade, as I said, above 284, I will try to scalp my way up to 341. But that's all I have. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Pine Myth, any thoughts?
What did that guy just say?
I know. Myth, don't worry about it. It's fine. Don't worry.
He said he's going to make a lot of money.
I was just taking some selfies. I wasn't even listening.
I assumed right away because you don't have the glasses on and everything. So,
I know it.
Yeah.
No, I kind of agree with Tom. I mean, it feels like once we kind of got below the previous day low there that the sales are in play, right? So maybe a push back up into that 280 at open. We'll see. And then the push back down. So we'll just kind of play it by ear and see what happens.
Sounds good. Thank you, Myth.
So you remember when Hulk Hogan went Hollywood? That's myth now. He's Hollywood methodical.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna be looking to scalp NQ. I don't really have any specific levels that I'm looking to take out. Now gold is a little interesting to me just because it's been so bullish and in a nice uptrend where I might look for a little pullback into some of these what we call them on my stream pine lines, but there's the Finney fair value gap indicator here, Finney fair value gap, and maybe look at a little pullback into some of these lines and then trying some scalps off those on gold. But I really don't have any levels that I'm looking at. I don't really have any of the gaps and stuff like that. So I'm just going to be reacting to what NQ is going to be trying to do, and then maybe looking for a scalp on gold. Long scalps on gold, and that's pretty much all I have as far as that goes. And then YM, I don't know. I mean, YM's never going to fill that gap down there. So at this point, I'm just gonna just wait. I think I'm gonna wait for YM to get down into that wide open gap from going on 4 weeks now. It tested the high of it, and then just bounced the other day. And rallied ever since. It never even came into it's like a 200-point open gap, and it never even came into it and rallied off the highs. So that's a pretty strong bullish indication for YM. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got.
Thank you, Pine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
I'm seeing some important headlines for us to be aware of. So NVIDIA is notifying its customers that there could be a 15% price hike on AI servers featuring its flagship chips. So that sounds very bearish to me. NVIDIA warning its customers that it will be raising prices by about 15%. And then I did see very bullish news for us to be aware of. U.S. Treasury expected to announce it will broaden scope of secondary. Oh, no, sorry, this is bearish. U.S. Treasury expected to announce it will broaden scope of secondary sanctions on countries and entitles doing business with Iran. I also saw over the weekend that there are more taxes on Canadian imports. So that is very bearish. Also, I did see very bullish news coming from the Treasury Department, something about bond markets and that they have the ability to buy the 30-year bonds. So we shall see what happens. That is kind of the spike that we saw in pre-market.
Okay.
Yes. But as far as scheduled news, I don't see anything except for 1 o'clock. We do have Besant speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 Central Time. And that is it for scheduled news.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
So pretty much clear what's going to happen. So yeah, any plan, you guys jumping into a scalp maybe, or definitely waiting for 9:30, right?
Feels like it's just going to be choppy to me. I mean, no
Yeah.
news, a pretty sizable move overnight. We're currently just glued to the previous day low. If we can't get away from this area, I think it might be a tough morning. So, you know, you could short here. You could short here.
I kind of feel the same way, by the way. It somehow it definitely looks like it could be a choppy session because I don't know how far it might want to drop. Yeah, obviously we can take out some levels, 170, 140, but how far is the drop going to be, if it's going to be a drop? So again, it's going to be scalping day as always.
Yeah.
But I mean, what can you do at 9:30? Honestly, I mean, at 9:30, usually the scalp trades are working most likely, right? So you're not going to sit into a position trade like a intraday swing trade at the 9:30 opening. We just want to get that quick, fast liquidity levels going, right? So it's always about scalping. I feel like the 9:30, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
Forms
I just
dropping
heard-
in the chat.
I just heard something magical.
I
Everyone.
did too.
Everyone, drop what you're doing. Make sure you get your name on that form for a chance to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. Good luck, everyone. You
Good
do have
luck,
to be
everybody.
present.
Yeah, you got to be here. You got to be here. So don't go far.
Absolutely. Zooming out on the hourly chart, I do see that we're just consolidating on the hourly. It almost looks like a giant bear flag on the hourly.
Yeah, let me just check it. Oh yeah. The hourly does look like a bit of a bear. Let me just zoom out properly here. You know what? I think you're right. So if we just do this and this, it does definitely feels like a bear flag situation. Yeah, absolutely. And this is why I just put that trend line earlier on, like you know, we're getting closer to 29K. Maybe that has some magnetic strength there. I don't know. Maybe the market wants to see some lower prices, but yeah, it's a hard read.
One thing to note this morning, guys, if you're looking at the pre-orb, it is only 24 points. And I talk about the sweet zone for the pre-orb is between 40 and 65 points. So the chances of us opening inside this lower volatility range is pretty low. And if we do open inside of it, I will not take it. The only way I will take it is if we open up outside and we get some sort of a retest. So pre-orb this morning looking like it might be tricky.
Oh yeah, it could be easily.
It's been winning, Myth. It's been winning.
Yeah, it's 13 for its last 14, so it's been doing very well. If you're going for the if you're just going for the 10 points with a 20-point stop, I have kind of modified it a little bit based on some recent forward testing. I am now going for 10 points in profit with a 15-point stop, so a little bit better R there. One thing I've noticed is if it goes 15 points, it goes 20. So if you're noticing that, then you can kind of tighten things up a little bit there. So, but with it only being 24.5 points, if you're unfamiliar with what the pre-orb is, we got a few minutes. We'll just go over it. Basically, it's just the high and the low between 9 and 9:15 a.m. Eastern. You're just taking that range and you're inputting that small range at the open. So at 9:30, if we open up inside the range, we're just looking for a breakout with a limit order at the top and at the bottom. If we're opening up outside the range, which is kind of what I want to see today, we're going to look for a retest. And then we would take a limit order out, whichever side it breaks out of next. So that's all we're doing. It's quite simple. It's got about an 85% win rate with the negative R play. If you wanted to go for a 2R, it's around 58%. I like the higher win rate, so I go for the negative arc, but you can do it either way. So, but yeah, not likely that it's going to open up inside the range today.
Yes,
No,
I
like
love a high win rate. It makes you feel so good.
Yeah, definitely.
When it wins,
Yeah.
we're a genius, and you can see it's already kind of breaking out of this this range, which is kind of what we want to see. And I'll be honest with you, I kind of like the top side better, because look what we have right here at the top of this pre-order. This is the previous day low. So like, you know, theoretically, I mean, if we get a nice 5-minute candle kind of close above, that can kind of help and turn into a little support as well. So that'll be what we'll be looking for at open. I will only take it if it breaks outside the range. If it stays in there, we're not going to take it.
I'm sorry, which time frame is that on your chart?
This is just the 2-minute time frame, but this can be, you can transpose this on any time frame. You can be on the 1 minute, 30 second, really doesn't matter. So because you're just trading you're just taking one area and moving it to another. So not a big deal. But also ES is kind of banging his head on the 80 level there. I was talking to Terry pre-market or before we came on, and you know, I think that's kind of a key level there on the ES. If we hold below 80, this thing's just going to continue lower. If it gets above 80, we probably can get some squeeze going. So
Okay, sounds good.
Right.
I know about something that's 100% win rate.
let's hear it.
Yeah, we want to know.
I can share my screen. Yeah, 100% win rate, you guys. If you haven't used it yet, make sure you use it. Everyone gets 2 uses of this coupon. 50% off using code YouTube. Any size, Rapid Builder Pro Plan. Any size, Rapid Builder Pro Plan. I see fine dancing.
I did want to mention I ripped one of my packs from yesterday, and the club packs, and I got 99% off the builder account.
Whoa.
So,
No way.
yeah,
That's
I picked
awesome.
that up. It was $1.53. So
Oh my gosh, that's a really good deal.
Oh man, that's
Nice.
the best one. That is the best one.
I mean,
So-
that's really that's basically free. So
I mean, I wanted the 100% off, but you know,
I know.
beggars can't be choosers.
Next
I guess.
time, yeah.
99% is almost 100%. You're good. You're good.
I mean, I've been really I've been buying packs like crazy, trying to get the Matt Leach feet picks. I don't know if you guys seen that on Twitter.
I see that. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's very rare.
It's very rare. If you want to share my screen real quick, I got Matt Leach's Twitter pulled up, and yeah, I've just been ripping packs like mad, trying to get the ultra rare Matt Leach card. So
The problem is you're gonna rip the pack, and then it's gonna come up to Tom Sabo feet picks.
Yes, but I mean, no, that's rare. That's really rare. I promise you that.
I don't
So
know if I'm gonna
I'm
go with those.
I'm not making that up, guys. It's literally, if you guys go on Twitter, follow Matt Leach, and you'll see it. So
Nice.
Yes. And so after you guys use this promo, the rapid plans are 20% off, the builder plans are 40% off, and the pro plans are 30% off. And those are the current promos.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
go.
thank you so much. Never forget to type in the code YouTube, everybody, just to
Yes.
make sure you will always get the best available discount ever.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes.
And oh my gosh, I need to make sure if I'm seeing this correctly. We are having lots of viewers here and 143 likes, which is a really good start. Wow. That is okay. That's okay. 350 should be extremely easy by 10:30. All right. So maybe we can even go to 400. So last time we made 350. We made even 400. I think last week a couple of times, once at least or twice. So guys, 350 is the new standard. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, that's a new channel. Okay, TikTok or X. Please hop over to YouTube and smash the like. Make sure to subscribe and please share the stream link everywhere because this is how YouTube goes. Thank you so much for getting closer to the 70K, the biggest giveaway ever in the history of MyFundedTV, and some dancing as well. But that's a secret.
Tom is getting ready. Every weekend he has a homework assignment.
Oh my gosh, yes.
To add to his dancing routine.
I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. We're getting there, you know.
He's got less video games and more dancing, Tom.
Yes, I think so. I need to go. I definitely need to do more rehearsing. But yes, less video games, guys.
At 400 likes today, I think Tom will reveal what hair products he uses.
That's a secret as well. I'm actually more curious. What are you going to use now that you have the hair implant and it's removable?
It's nothing. So. It's all natural. All natural. We don't put anything in there. We do. We put one of those bonnets on at night. We put the curlers in and we put the bonnet on. Keep it nice. So that's the only thing we do. All natural juices, berries and juices.
I knew you're doing something like that. All right.
That's how it goes.
Nice.
So yeah, we got some huge news coming this week. I don't know if you guys are ready, but we got Wednesday. We have NVIDIA earnings, so that's going to be the
that's going to be big.
It's going to be the big one. Wednesday after market close. So
I got a couple of days to prepare. A couple of days to get there.
Yeah, save some ammo for the NVIDIA earnings.
You got to go long 1 micro on those earnings. See how it does.
Yeah.
I mean, it should not be a huge issue with 1 micro, right?
A micro in a dream. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hindsight says that Myth rubs in 2 raw eggs and leaves it overnight. Classic.
Yeah.
That's actually what Pine Tree eats in the morning is like 6 raw eggs.
6 raw eggs.
He gets his protein in.
Rocky style.
That's
So what do you guys think?
I can't.
The first push, will it be green or red?
I feel like we're pushing to the 280s. Get back up to that midnight open, sweep that swing up there, 284, then maybe a rejection. It's kind of what I'm thinking. But
good question. I feel like, and again, I'm not because I'm trading trend lines or anything. I just feel like there's some liquidity on the downside. I'd like to see some sweep, even if it goes higher, just a bit of a drop below 170, even below 150, and then who knows. But wouldn't be surprised in a quick drop, taking liquidity and then go higher. But again, I think this time today, ES is more bearish than NQ, just because the daily lows are really close. So that 76.61 and 76.57 is really close, and ES couldn't really make its way higher. And I'm not gonna trade ES, so but maybe I will, who knows. But I feel like that needs to be swept first, and it's gonna pull down NQ. So whatever happens after, who knows? Who cares, right? No, obviously we do care, but I think it's going to go down because of ES, I think.
Did ES take the previous day low? I don't have it marked.
Let's see. I mean,
yeah, it did. August 4th low is the next one down, I think. Yeah.
I'm actually, it did, but I'm talking with the daily candle reset, the 6 p.m. timer, and it kind of shows levels at 76.61 and 76.57. Anyway, we have swing lows down there, guys, and I just feel like it can go a little bit down, but who knows?
I think so, maybe, because we did have, what is it doing now? Excuse me. We did have Asia going lower, and then we had London going lower. I wouldn't be surprised if at some point today we do take out that overnight low, but anything can happen. We know this about NQ.
Yeah, just be very careful if you're looking at the pre-orb this morning, guys. I'm telling you, if it opens up inside, this thing is probably going to wick both ways, and might give you 10 points, might not. I mean, like, I just tend to stay away from it at that point. So
I'm thinking maybe that 170 down there could get run, that wick.
That is an obvious wick, yeah.
Yeah,
that is pretty obvious.
Maybe
you could probably treat that like a data wick because it's pretty obvious. A little bit of a delay. I don't think there was like 8:30 news, but that was like an 8:32 wick, kind of an odd spot, odd time for that to happen. So I don't know. Overall, I think we're in a tricky spot. I mean, this is one of those mornings where we talked about the same type of setup on Thursday where like it could just go either way,
Yeah.
You just have to kind of react. So I don't have like real confidence in any of these levels at this point.
From here.
Yeah. I think we'll just wait and see what happens.
Yeah.
So
We are trading a below VWAP. NQ is down by about 176 points. I wonder if we'll at least get a partial fill. We shall see.
nice little push here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what is the push? I mean, we're talking about 20 points, so it's not a huge push so far. But yeah, it is pushing. But the 1 minute chart, I think it's just terrible. The 1 minute chart is absolutely. But you know what? We have that candle at 841. I forgot to mention that. And it doesn't matter which side is going to be taken out first. The other side could be a good target for later, maybe throughout the AM session for some scalps. But I don't know what happened. There was an announcement there or something, some tweet at 841. But anyway, I love those candles. Whenever I see that, I'm just like, okay, that's going to be an interesting level for later. Actually, I'm going to mark that up on my end. Let's see. Yeah, 841. Yeah, 242 on the top, and on the down is 192. Okay.
All right, so Pine Tree and Terry, this has nothing to do with Tom, so he can just mute his headphones.
Okay.
Just mute
Yeah.
him. Guys, when Tom goes long, we go short. You guys in?
No.
When Tom goes short,
no.
we go long. Come on, let's fade him.
No, cannot.
He won't know what happened. He'll have no clue.
I'm scared.
Okay, Tom, you can unmute now.
Boy, this is one of those markets right now where I'm just like, hurry up and open already, because it's just it is just barcoding. Starting to break up to the upside, but man, it is just kind of nasty. I felt like last night's Globex and into Asia was pretty decent. I'm looking like London was okay, and then it just the last hour has just been trash, which is a nice thing, because where I've been getting ready to stream in the morning with you guys, it's keeping me out of some bad trades and some bad action lately. So I've been doing better with that. I've blown so many accounts an hour before the market opens. It's insane, but I haven't done that in a while. So
They've all been there, and
Yes.
and it definitely has different characteristics and everything at the open, and that's why it's just so dangerous to jump in before the market open. But yeah, it seems like we're gonna sweep that 242 before the open. Yeah.
What
one
is
more
VWAP?
minute.
VWAP is about 2. Oh, let me see. What's VWAP? About 274.
I don't have it on. Let me check. Hold on.
Maybe we'll go test it.
Mine is 285 on the micro there. 285-ish. Maybe. It can definitely push, but we'll see.
Okay, good luck.
Good luck, everybody.
30 seconds.
It's really going to be a coin toss, I think, right now, but I'm really very, very curious. How's it going to go? Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
15 seconds.
All right. Everybody hold your breath. Sit back, relax, and see you guys on the flip side. Don't fall for it. Here we go.
Here we go. Ooh, okay.
Okay, it swept it. All right.
Okay, it is pushing
All right.
down.
Yeah, it's gonna run that
Interesting.
170 maybe. Yeah, there it goes.
Okay, so we have that drop. Interesting how it swept that 841 candle up and down. Oh, okay.
Wow.
There it goes.
Okay. I'm gonna check ES quickly. Okay, ES also kind of going down. Maybe this morning I might even gonna take an ES trade. Who knows? If we stay below 76, 75, I might gonna trade. I might gonna go short on ES. But anyway.
Yeah. I think we are going
Wow.
to take out that. Wow, it is just going. I'm
Okay.
wondering if it's reacting to the NVIDIA news raising 15% on its customers. Like, if
London
that's
low.
big. Yeah,
London
maybe
low is
London
next.
low.
117. There you go. London low is out. Okay. That's it.
So YM
That
is
was
pushing.
fast.
Yeah.
YM's pushing up. It actually filled the gap, and it's continuing to make new highs right now. YM. and Nasdaq's tanking.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, NQ made a new low. ES is not there yet, so everybody's gonna scream SMT or divergence or whatever, which it is. So this would mean that ES could pop higher just a bit there. I don't see anything that is showing any bullish signs here yet, even though we can reprice higher, but I don't know. ES is
Oof.
back to 76.75. Now comes the moment of truth. Is ES going to be able to push it higher? If not, then both of them are going to tank down. Oh my gosh. What should we do? What should we do, everybody?
I'm just going to sit on my hands for a while. I just don't have any levels to target.
I'm going to hop in one micro short.
Yeah, I hopped into a short on ES as well. Usually I don't jump in ES, but I was eyeballing too much with that level, so my target is going to be 64.50 down there. We'll see. Anyway.
All right.
Yeah.
Deep breath.
I'm waiting to see how this first 5-minute candle closes.
Deep breath. Here we go. I'm suspecting the 5-minute orb should break the low of this candle. So I'm kind of anticipating that. I am front running it. Here we go. I think that NVIDIA news is very bearish, 15%. But we shall see.
Interesting
It's
that they're coming out.
working.
Yeah, interesting that they're coming out with NVIDIA news today.
It's a little strange.
In anticipation of the earnings on Wednesday.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Is that good or bad for NVIDIA stock that they're raising prices by 15%?
I feel like this is a trap, and it's ready, and people should just buy. Not at all.
Okay, about 40 points in profit now.
Yeah, my
let's go.
Looks good at this second, but I just really want, I think ES wants to really go down and take out those lows. I might even want to add to this trade because I'm just so sure it will go down, and it should be pulling down NQ 61.25. I'm gonna do something different here. I'm going to have one micro TP at 65 just to make sure to book something, and I'm gonna have a runner down to 58.50, and that's a partial TP 58.50 down there. And okay, so I have it on like this. That's fine.
I'm going to look for a short at 145. So I'm looking for a
145.
retrace into 145. We're going to go 3 micros.
Yeah, it looks good.
Look for a short up there.
This is quite the range on the first 5-minute candle.
So everyone's short right now, so I should go
Well, I'm
long,
not.
or...
Yeah, I'm not short. I'm looking for a pushback. But it's not a bad idea.
I
you're looking
will
for
be
140, yeah.
adding. I will be adding if we go up higher.
So what about that fading Tom Sabo thing?
Oh,
Like
zing. Exactly.
Listen, if he doesn't think I won't hit the long button,
side. I'm on Tom's side.
he thinks I won't hit the long button here, guys. What's wrong with him? I would.
Pine, we won. Or wait, no, you lost. Tom,
I lost.
you and I won with Husk. We get to be called queens and kings.
Oh,
yeah.
Tom is the queen again. Let's go.
I'm the prince. Hey.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh no.
Who's
come
long?
on.
Pine, are you long?
I'm looking maybe taking a long on YM, but not yet.
I just had to say it out loud, and it's now slowly creeping back to my entry on ES.
All right, I'm short
no.
Now I'm short. And looking for 10 on the first 2. And then going to look for a runner. So
Nice.
I am almost out of the first 2.
Ooh, I don't normally trade with runners, but I
There
should
we
try
go.
that.
We're out on the first 2. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nice.
So
Nice.
I'm gonna try a long on YM, but just a few micros.
So we'll see if this runner can do some work. Can it do some heavy lifting?
Yes.
My entry is 389. My stops are down there at 300s, and I'm looking for 430s, 440s.
Locking in 15 points here. Might get stopped.
Myth is just getting in, getting out quickly.
There we go. I'm out. It's fine.
Nice.
Pew pew.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes.
The pew pew trades.
That's how we had so many kids. Hey-oh.
Hey, oh, yeah. That's okay.
I need more coffee for this conversation.
No.
It's Monday.
It's Monday, guys. It's Monday.
All right. My trade's working on here on YM. Looking to take profit here. Come on.
Let's go.
How many points are you looking for, Pine?
I was only looking just for a scalp, and then it just missed my TP by I think 4 points.
No. I hate that.
Wow. Okay, so ES is down by about 20 points. NQ is still down by about 280 points. Yeah, I see YM is in the green by about 68 points. Not by much. Ooh, it's kind of fading. Fading.
Fine. We might have the infamous inside buy on the 5.
Inside bar. It's happening.
So maybe. We'll see here. The question is Pine going to take it?
With a 5 minute?
Yeah. It might not. We got
we
less than 2
go.
minutes. I don't know. It might break it.
I probably
Come
won't
on.
take it just because I'm in that YM trade, but I might be out of this YM trade here pretty
Ooh.
soon.
No, it may not set up if it sweeps the low here.
All right, TP on 1.
Nice.
go.
W's.
So
Good job.
Oh,
There we go. It broke it.
50 points. All right, I got it. Get me out. 50 points. W's.
Nice. Good job, guys.
All right, I'm going to stab long here for 10 points just, because of Tom.
Thank you.
Just because of Tom.
Appreciate it, man.
See what happens.
Oh,
We
by
got
the way, I took partial TP as well. I totally forgot to mention that I took partial TP. I was so frustrated and concentrating on you guys. Like, if you are making money, and what am I doing here? Like, oh, fine, yeah, but yeah, I hit the partial TP there, so I am moving my stop to break even here. So free
Squeeze
trade
it.
from now on.
Squeeze it back up. Squeeze it. I'm trying
Are
to
you-
fade Tom.
Are you just trying to give Tom such a hard time this morning?
That's his job, actually. He's like he's kind of like a stress test for me.
It's
in
the only
life.
reason. It's the only reason I'm here.
Yeah.
So.
It's in his contract. I know.
Wow.
I'm
Okay.
looking for 86.75 on the fade Tom trade.
Mm-hmm.
I'm fully out of the YM trade.
Bang! Let's go.
Nice.
Nice. Pew pew trades.
The fade
about
Tom trade.
Took about 60 points in YM, so not bad.
That's awesome.
How many? How many?
60.
Let's go.
Woo,
That was
nice.
good. Really good.
That was a scary fade Tom trade there. Just catching the knife. Oh,
Oh, okay. I wonder. So the 5 minute orb broke on the sell side. I'm wondering what is going to happen with a 15-minute orb. Can it actually break lower? I mean, it's possible.
kind of
It's still going lower.
yeah.
Wow, look at this.
I still have the final TP on ES down at 76.58.50. I think ES wants to make a new swing low here. Unfortunately, it might gonna bounce back up there, but as long as this is the case, that's why NQ is gonna have a hard time pushing higher. At least that's what I think.
65, a little double bottom there on ES. If it can kind of close below 65, I think you're kind of off to the races.
Mm-hmm.
But so far, not able to do it.
Yeah, it's having some hard time, but again, even if I'm gonna get taken out break even on this part of this trade, but I think later it can try one more drop down. So I would be careful.
YM looking like it's gonna take in make a new high here. So YM is just taking off. Man,
Wow.
just it's doing complete opposite of what NQ is doing.
So
So
interesting. Yeah.
NQ is already down by about 300 points right now, a little over 1% in the red. This is setting up to be very bearish on NQ so far.
Yeah.
We didn't get really any retracement.
Not yet.
Not really. Yeah, not yet.
I am looking at a little 1 minute opportunity potentially here. We'll see if it triggers.
I think 29K is pretty much in the cards here on NQ.
Wow.
We're really close, you know, even if it just wicks down there, as long as ES, I mean, as long as the bears are kind of fighting their way on ES and we're very close to 29K, it's just, you know, it's ready to go lower.
Ugh. This is such an ugly looking candle. If you look at the hourly, it is very just bearish and disgusting for the bulls.
Yeah, a part of me wants to jump. A part of me wants to jump in and chase NQ down there to 29K, but I'm not gonna do it. It's also dangerous, guys. This is again exactly one of those levels when it can just bounce easily, like 100 points, like nothing. Easy 100 points bounce any second, and you know it would. Oh, look at that!
There it goes.
There it goes. Yeah, the tariff with Canada news. What was it? It was very high. Was it 50% tariff over the weekend? Let me look.
Like that. Something like
it's all
that.
Yes.
It was all over
50%.
the news. It was all over the news here in Hungary too, by the way. It was in the main news. Like, what is going on there?
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Tariff trade wars again.
Yeah.
I think this is probably more to do with NVIDIA, just because it's the tech that's falling right now, and YM is just holding up. So
ES just closed below that 65, Tom.
I know,
So
and
looks like it's probably going to move lower.
I'm just thinking if I want to move my stop a little bit lower just to secure a couple of more dollars here, but I really want to see this swing low. I know I'm going to leave it as it is, leave some wiggle room to the trade, but ES should go. The only thing I would close ES manually, if by some reason NQ would just tag 29K, then I would close it manually, because then ES is going to bounce immediately. As soon as NQ goes down there, ES is going to bounce.
I'm going to put a limit order at 63.50 if the 5 minute closes below there for a little pew pew trade.
Okay.
Unless we hit the 29K, kind of like what Tom's talking about. I expect to bounce in that 10 area on the NQ. Let's see if it does it.
Oh, wow.
It's pushed right through there.
It's going. Almost hit my TP. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm closing it down manually. I had to close it down manually. I'm closing it because NQ hit the 29K. Let's go. By the way, my TP was hit anyway. I needed to close it down because I've seen this too many times. Like NQ is it could be any kind of significant swing high, swing low, whatever liquidity level. As soon as NQ is wicking that level, ES is just gonna bounce or react. Anyway, it's going down there. Look at that. Wow.
Come on.
Ooh. 15-minute orb.
Yeah, new 15-minute candle there. So we'll see if we can get a little bounce here. ES at the 55.
Oof. Straight down. There it goes.
People are in a hurry.
Oh my gosh.
Running stops. It's people just trying to buy, and NQ is saying nope, and just running stops.
I might buy back above 29 here with a short stop. Maybe like 10 points. We'll try a little knife catch here if we are able to.
You're going long?
Not yet. No, I'm going to wait for it to maybe reclaim 29,000. And then we'll try a little 10-point scalp. It'll either squeeze back above 29,000 to kind of like the 40 area, or it'll just dump. But so far it hasn't even made an attempt to get back above 29K. We do have like an old gap down there at 930. I don't know if you guys still have that marked out.
Yeah, 930. I didn't mark that out.
So
Ooh, my stomach feels squeezy.
YM just made a new high.
Wow.
Oh, it's still
YM.
pushing. I mean, it's just doing the exact opposite right now. It's just pushing higher.
Okay, NQ is down 400 points now in the red.
All right, we're gonna give this a shot here.
Knife
See if we
catching.
Yeah, a little knife catch here if it gets back above 29K. So we'll see. This is very risky, guys. So don't try this at all.
Ooh, it's going. It's going.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm tagged in there. We want to see it squeeze straight into the 10.
Go, go, go.
All right, out on the first two.
Yeah! W's for Myth.
Let's see if we
That's
can
how it's done.
We're going to move our stop up to break even, see if we can't squeeze up into the 30s. So, can we continue to squeeze?
Let's go.
There's 19. Let's see here. Looking for 27.50. Don't want to see slowdown here.
Oh, it's
might
really
even
looking good there.
Might even target higher if we can inverse this 2-minute gap. But if it hits my target, I'm just going to take it. Why not?
Ooh.
10 seconds left on this candle. Nope, weak close.
Mm-hmm.
Very weak close there.
Yeah, 831. I will be looking for that 831 down there.
I might get stopped out here. That's okay. It's a winning trade.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Not quite. All right. That's all right. We took a few points there.
Let's go.
Couple micros, 10 points. Not a lot of money, but yeah, it's something.
Let's go.
It's something.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Cup of micros.
Can't complain. I mean, oh yeah, that is a 1-minute gap. I forgot I changed down to the 1 minute. I might re-enter long here if this thing does inverse here.
Look at this. Are we reversing really? It kind of feels like we do.
Squeeze.
Yeah, there's a gap at let's see, 44.
Yeah.
Well, I want to go up there and take that.
All right, I'm gonna jump back in.
Yeah, I was thinking about it too.
Going long.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I was waiting for this 5-minute to close, but I think it's good to go.
Went in long. My TP is gonna be 42.25. For a scalp trade here. Oh no. I just want to put in my stop there. It's gonna be a tight one.
Yeah, if we break the 90, probably just gonna be back down.
Yeah. Oh, I'm out. Okay. I'm out. I got stopped out. So yeah, it feels like it might want to go lower then.
I'm actually going to give this a little bit more room here. I'm just kind of watching the ES. If ES holds above 65 here, I think we can go.
I'm going to fade Myth here.
Me too. I'm short.
Yeah, me too. Let's fade Myth. He deserves it. So.
You were just long with me. That's no fade. Get out of here.
Yeah, that's a fade there. Let's fade Myth.
That's
Hashtag fade Myth.
This could be a snip snap though. So where the market looks like it's going to go up, and it looks like it's going to go down, and then it's going to pop right back up.
Let's get our average.
I'm going to say flat.
There you go. That's a safe play. I'm going to look for the low. Stops at 33.
I got all these faders going on, so.
Ooh, who will win? Okay. So last Friday, Pine, you said the New York would close red. And then me, Tom, and Husk said New York would close green. And the winners would be able to be called king and queen for the day. So we have to wait till Husk comes on, which he'll be on with us tomorrow. And then we get to be called king and queen.
King and queen.
Fine.
It was
Bye-bye.
looking really good too. Like the market had opened and it just absolutely tanked, and then the plunge protection team came right in and saved you guys. But yeah,
They had to come in and change the sheets and everything.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Squeeze it back above 29K. Come on, punish these guys.
Oh,
Punish them.
man. No, thank you. Come on.
It's definitely battling right now.
Punish them.
I expected a little quicker reaction on that.
Don't listen to him, NQ.
But we'll see.
Finish them. Let's go.
Oh my God! I just realized I don't have a stop loss. Okay.
Well,
you don't-
then you
you don't
can't
need
lose
one.
on the trades.
I
Tom.
can't lose on the trade.
That's right.
The
That's the
account
way I look
is
at
the
it.
stop loss.
The account. No,
All
I don't
right.
want that.
Close back below 65. That's not a good look for me. So I think it's probably going to hit the stop. But I'm just going to let it hit it. I'm not going to stop it out.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh.
one more squeeze.
popping right back up.
One more squeeze.
Whoa.
Come on. Come on.
Just
Oh.
Do it already.
But
Go to
which
your
one?
home. Go to your home.
Come on, NQ. I know you want to drop down, NQ. Come on, just go lower. Like, hey, yeah, there you go, NQ. You
Get
know what
Tom's,
to do.
get Tom's blood pressure going.
Yeah. Get it going. Taking partials here. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, it's a free trade almost. I'm putting it to break even. So I'm basically in a free trade, but I think I'm gonna get taken out on the. Hey, I was short. You guys didn't see it, but I was short 8 micros. I took off 6 micros, so I was really sweating here, guys. My seat is full of sweat.
There it is.
So there you go.
48 micros he was short, guys. 48 micros.
What 48 micros? What are you talking about? So come on. All right, taking off 1 more micro because this is just, I don't know. And I'm going to leave a runner, I don't know, to the 855. I don't know. That would be good. That's way down there. That's a little bit too much. Okay, I'm just going to leave it until 905 then. I don't know. No, it's going to get taken. It's going to go
Gonna
back.
stop me out and then go back up. Rude.
Okay. All right. Got taken out break even, but made back. You guys didn't see it. I had a small loss, but I was trying to go long because I wanted to do the same thing as Myth. Obviously, he lost, so I lost too. So then I thought, hey, let's just fade Myth because it's just more simple. It's a simple way to go, and I made it back. So it's so good.
Yeah, I took profit at the.
You're
the
like,
low
take
for
that. Take that.
Yeah.
30 points.
Nice.
Yes, back above 65.
Nice little 30 pointer.
Do we
Fine, you're only
Little
trading
bounce.
YM.
No, that was an NQ trade.
That was an NQ. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. I shorted at 80, went and took profit at right around the 50s. Is the low. Just looking for that low, and it was all based off that harami. So we put in this harami candle. We actually just took out the top of it and then immediately reversed, put in a double harami, and then I was thinking about going long here, but then I was watching this 5-minute, and I was like, wow, I'd really like to see it break above this 5-minute first, and it didn't, and just put in a short signal on the double and just took out the low. That was it. That's all I was looking at. Plus, I just wanted to fade Myth, but
everybody wants
guys-
to fade me, bro? That's
did you
wrong.
guys see Myth here? This is Hollywood Myth. I don't know if you can see that on my screen there, but this is why I've been quiet the whole stream. I was just
He's been over
Look
there
at those
working.
muscles.
Yeah.
mean, he's been on those peptides
Oh,
all
yeah.
summer, so
Gotta
The
get over
juice.
this.
You've been on the juice.
On the juice.
juice.
There's this YouTuber. He's so entertaining to watch. What's his name? Malibu? He's very
Yeah.
entertaining.
yeah, Malibu.
Hey guys.
I don't know
What's up?
Malibu.
Malibu
What's
here.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
And the funny thing is he calls himself Malibu, and you would think he was from Malibu, California, and then he's from Michigan. Turns out.
He said, "Hey,
He has
you
like
know."
bleach blonde hair. Yeah. Super tan. Big muscle guy.
Oh,
We-
that's the guy that Pine sits on the couch and eats ice cream and watches, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
He did tell me about that.
We have some.
When I'm alone.
We do you guys hear
I
that?
hear something. I hear something.
Is
I
that
do hear
Tom
something.
talking? Oh no, it's just a duck.
We
All
have
right.
the race. Good luck,
I'm
everyone.
missing my duck. It's not here. Hey, of course, yeah. Let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go.
And they're off. Unk is trying to take the lead.
Quack, quack.
Look at that.
Quack, quack.
Pena out to an early lead. Probably
Wow.
a little too early. Mr. Buggy joining in to the race.
Looking good. Looking good.
Hey, MFFU, is that Aaron? Aaron
Yeah,
joined
I
the
think
race.
so. I think that's Aaron. Right there.
He said, let me get that free account. Look at Pine Tree. Oh my
Ooh.
gosh.
There's the bat duck right there. Montas.
Pine Tree's a bunny? Is that a bunny or a rat?
I think it's a.
Okay.
I think it's a hybrid.
No.
All right, here comes the winners.
Quack, quack. 2 seconds.
Goat!
Let's go. Magnus.
Oh, this is definitely rigged.
Oh, it's definitely is.
Congratulations.
That's Magnus's alt.
Top 15, you win a free account from MyFundedFutures. Make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm in order to claim your prize. You do have to be present in order to win. So if you're not here, they will pick the people below you.
Oh no, can't have that.
Congrats.
No, congrats.
Congratulations. Yeah, people saying there was a Donald Trump duck. Sorry. I don't know. I didn't see that.
What? He didn't win? He wins everything. What?
What? Yeah.
What?
See, look, Methodical's not discouraged. He just re-entered long. That's all we do. So I've already
Let's
scaled.
go.
I've already scaled out the majority of the position, so we're just down to a micro. And we're
Not
back in
bad.
the green. We're back in the green. So
And not a bad spot maybe to try. I mean, we have taken out the low and just trying to get that little push up.
I probably should be longing ES here, to be honest, because it's much stronger.
I think so too. ES looks really, really good. Kind of feels like it wants to get back to the range there.
Stop to break
And
even. Looking for the squeeze
Nice.
Ooh,
I think it's
nice
ready to go
squeeze.
to 76. Oh, yeah. I want to jump in as well
now.
on
See,
ES.
Tom shorted the micro earlier
What?
to fade me, to cause the market to go down. You know, he was on his live account. He threw in one micro short.
Yeah.
He doesn't talk about that, but
Yeah.
that's what he does.
There is a fair value gap that NQ is filling
Oh.
right now. We're starting to go towards.
Yeah, but this is an area where I was looking to kind of, the 44s. I think Tom talked about it earlier. Could really just take it off there, but I think there's the consideration to kind of move back up to the bottom of this 29,100 range. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. If we don't get it, we don't get it. No big deal.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, ES is kind of holding up. YM still green on the YM. It's still up towards its highs. So
I'm going to give this a little bit of room. I'm going to keep the stop down near the lows because I feel like
Okay.
this might be a situation where we kind of hold the low and maybe go. So by moving the stop, I'm putting myself at risk, but that's okay. What would be what is the stop on this? About 60 points. It's not that bad with a micro.
Yeah, I'm holding that long position as well on ES. 76 is going to be my target. This is I'm going to hold the negative R stop loss here. I want to give some room to it. It just kind of feels like it was such a strong recovery here on ES. Maybe it wants to get back into that range up there. If not, that's cool too, because it's only 2 micro here.
My VWAP on the ES is at 74. I don't know if that's where everybody else's is.
Mine is at 77.50. Maybe mine is off. I don't know. Mine is at 77.
Again, the key area on the ES there is the 80. I think if we can squeeze back above 80, we're off to the races. There is probably a higher probability than not that we kind of reject that area, though. So That'll be what I'm watching.
Let me remind everybody in the chat that we are at 274 likes, which is amazing, but we need more. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We need at
274.
least 350.
At least 350. That's the absolute minimum. So let's get it going, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting. Look at ES. Let's go. My ES trade is in the green. Let's go to the WeWap.
I was trying to get Tom to say WeWap. I was setting him up.
WeWap. How much?
Bouncing.
How much money you pay me for saying WeWap? That's what you need to say. That's it.
Well, last month I sent you 1,000 Hungarian for rent. So
that's not enough, man. You got to pay more.
That's pretty solid.
No.
Pretty solid.
That's not.
So, Tom, what is the name of that sort of flea market style place that you took me to? What do you guys call that?
This doesn't really have a specific name. Like, it's kind of like a Chinese market there nowadays, because, like 30, 40 years ago, it was called absolutely differently. But anyway, it's like, it's a flea market-ish kind of place, but lots of, like all kind of.
So they have electronics, they have clothing, they have like groceries and things like that. And I've never seen somebody negotiate over 25 cents.
I tried.
Yeah.
That's not true, guys.
He was like 125.
He's
Tom
lying.
was like, best I can do is $1.
He's lying.
Do you negotiate everything there, Tom?
No. Well,
well, just a culture. I mean, like
So if you go out to like in flea markets, you can, obviously they are expecting you to do so. So you go out there, they say a price, you immediately have to say a lower price, and that's it. That's how it starts. And if you don't say a lower price, they might even get offended, like, oh, you don't like my stuff, or what's wrong? Like, really
interesting.
In Tom's case, they're like, we saw him pull up in that BMW.
So anyway, you gotta say lower price. And there was one time when I didn't. I mean, it wasn't too recently. I didn't say a lower price, and I was just not interested to buy. I was looking to buy some cologne, some new smells. The thing is, like, I'm sorry, I'm not interested in this. And the guy like kept chasing me throughout the flea market. Okay, I give it to you for $20. I'm saying it in dollars. $20, $15, then $10. All right, you give me any money, I give it to you. I'm like, okay, all right, man. Anyway,
so that's why Tom wears that deodorant now, or that that cologne now. He bought it. He said, I felt the pressure.
Wow. NQ is wanting to go test those lows.
Yeah, nice little bear
it's
flag
being
break.
rude. It's being rude on me over here. It's okay.
Yeah, my ES trade is not looking good. I'm closing down my ES trade. Bit of a loss, small loss, not big deal. Previous trade was definitely put me in the green, so I'm flat right now. I thought that ES is gonna go up there, it didn't. So
well, Tommy hit the VWAP on my chart and rejected hard.
You didn't tell me that, or did you?
I think I told you it was at 74 on my chart.
On my chart, it was higher, so that's the problem.
Let's see if we can retest the 80. We'll see.
Where I'm from, when a lot of people call it bartering, we call it dickering. That's a main term.
Okay.
Dickering.
I could do something with that, but it's Monday. We're gonna leave that alone. We're not gonna fall for a pine tree's trap here.
No, I'm seriously. That's what we call it.
No, I believe you. I'm just saying, you're trying to sucker me in to say something.
There used to be a TV show called what was it called? Oh, Down East Dickering.
All right.
So it was on the History Channel.
Nice.
So that's what they used to call it, and it was people that did there's a magazine that comes out. It's called the Uncle Henry's, and it's basically a classified ad. And then people would make a living just going in the classified ads and then bartering and dickering and trying to flip things. And they made a whole TV show on it on the History Channel about it.
Nice.
All right,
Are you guys ready to do the round table?
Oh, we are super ready. We are super ready.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Oh
real
my
quick.
gosh.
Hey, Mr. Delusional, go ahead and make another alt account and then come back in. So see ya. Bye.
Oh, you got burned. It happens, you know.
Yes,
it just happens.
It does. So Tom will be hosting the roundtable section today. I will be one of the traders. I can't wait, Tom. We're so excited.
Well, this is going to be a really good one today. So we're having some excellent topics here, as you guys can see. So why don't we just start? So let's start with the first one, shall we? Let's go. So it says good strategy, bad for prop, or good for a prop. So what I'm talking about is, can a strategy be genuinely profitable but still be a bad strategy for prop firm trading because of the way it's losing periods, you know, our distributor or something. So, you know, the question is, a good strategy could be good for props, or, you know, it could be bad for, I mean, there are some strategies that are bad for props. Let's start with myth. Let's go.
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, if you have, especially, I mean, if you have intraday trailing, right, there's going to be really some strategies that are profitable that are just not going to work with the prop firm. But even on end of day, you know, in general, like you said, if it's a lower win rate one where maybe you're going $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 in drawdown before you kind of come out of it, if your equity curve is really swingy, then it could be a good strategy and just not work on a prop firm for sure. So,
all right. Pine, what do you think?
Yeah, so I agree. I think that, you know, if you have, like, say, an intraday trailing drawdown account or something like that, you really got to change your strategy to kind of fit around that. The good thing is, you know, with MyFundedFutures, we have all kinds of different accounts to trade. So whatever fits your trading style, it's you usually can find a nice strategy to trade certain accounts, right? So yeah, definitely you could have a good strategy, and it could definitely be bad for props. So especially if you're trying to swing a little bit, looking for a little more points intraday. So.
All right, duly noted. Now we want to hear Terry. Terry?
Okay, so both of you guys said, yes, that's true. So I will argue on the other side that, well, if you are sized correctly, then you could make any strategy that is net positive, a positive expectancy work, even in a prop account. For example, maybe instead of like a 1 mini or a 5 micros, you size all the way down to 1 micro. So it is possible to make strategies that work in the live environment also work in prop firms. That is my final answer. Yes.
That was a really good answer. Thank you so much. Thank you. On my end, by the way, I think, not that anyone cares what I say, but I think
we care.
I think that there are good strategies for prop firms. Of course, low risk, guys, never forget. All right. So up to the next one, which is about, you know, how much macro should scalpers know? What does that mean exactly? How much macroeconomics is what we mean here? How much macroeconomic knowledge should the futures scalper actually need in their entries? and you know, sorry, I have this written down. If futures scalper actually need, if their entries are based almost entirely on technical analysis and price action. So that's the question. How much macro data you need? Take it away, Terry, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. I think it's so important, you guys, because you might see things like, for example, when we have had that big initial tariff war macro environment, whatever technical strategy you have going on, if you're not factoring that in mind, like really, you might be hurting yourself, right? Like you could be saving a lot of money potentially by just at least having some type of market awareness. For example, today with NVIDIA charging increased 15%, like the market didn't know about that. And then it's pricing it in. So I think it does definitely help traders to be aware of that. And that is my final answer. I have to share time.
Nice. Terry says it's needed. Pine?
0.0. You don't need any of it. I mean, I mean, I don't want to know the news. I don't even care. I just react to whatever the market's trying to do, using the volatility around the open, just trying to read the look at the tape, the DOM, and just going on that flow. So yeah, I don't want to know the news. La 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 la. That's it.
Fine says, who cares? Let's hear Myth.
Yeah, I don't think as far as, I mean, the key word in that question is scalpers. If you're looking for 10 points, 15 points, 20 points, the macro environment really is irrelevant in terms of that. I only care what's happening inside this 1 or 2 minute candle. Now, do I want to know when news might be being released? Sure. But just kind of a, a great idea here is like, if we could just look at news and say, well, that's bearish or that's bullish, we'd all be rich. It just doesn't work that way. It could be bearish news and the market could go up and vice versa. So in terms of a scalper's mentality, it doesn't really matter to me. I don't think that you need it.
All right. So Myth says doesn't really need it. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next one. So the next topic says best metric beyond PNL. Now this is really interesting. What we want to talk about is, if you were not allowed to see a trader's P&L, what single metric would you use to decide whether that trader is actually improving? All right, let's go with Terry.
I would say the single metric that you can view instead of a P&L to see if a trader is improving would be, are they sticking to their plan? Yes or no. So whatever the set plan is before you start your trading session, trading day, did that trader stick to their plan? And if that trader can stick to their plan consistently, then that is like winner, winner, chicken dinner. I would bet my money on that trader every day.
All right, sticking to the plan, being consistent.
Yes.
Pine?
I would say how they're reacting to the day, whether or not they're smashing mouses or they're just very calm, and to be able to walk away, and especially after a trade or the overall P&L, right? So, well, you can't look at the P&L, but it's a little bit difficult. But I would just say like emotions, really, just how they're reacting while they're trading, whether or not they stay calm or they're getting very upset. And if you lose a trade, you still got to stay calm. It's just part of the deal. So I would say it's just the emotions.
All right. So emotions, reaction. Nice. Myth?
Well, if we're looking at the best metric beyond P&L, then I think that I'm going to go to the win rate, right? I want to know, what's my win rate? Am I winning 70% of the time, 80% of the time? If I'm doing those things and we're keeping proper risk to reward, then we still should be profitable, even without knowing our P&L. So that would probably be the one that I would toss in there. Just look at the win rate.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, what about you, Tom?
Well, I kind of go with Pine Tree here. I would be curious. I mean, Terry said amazing things too, and I like to have the mixture of the two. So the reaction of a trader, how he or she reacts on a certain session, and consistency matters as well. And that's what I would be looking at, the behavior. Yeah. So yeah, good ones. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is record every trading session. Now, what we want to talk about here is, should serious traders record their entire trading session and review their footage later, or is it normal trading? I mean, is it just enough to have a normal trading journal or journaling at all? Take it away, Terry.
I think it is okay to have a regular trading journal, because I think for a lot of traders, it is tracking very specific things, whatever it is that you're working on in your trading game. Like maybe it is, okay, I only want to take a certain number of trades each day. So that might be the one thing that's super important for that one trader. So tracking a gazillion things is actually very discouraging and will make you not want to stick to that one thing that you're trying to improve on. For example, if you're a baseball player and you're working on your pitch or something, then that is the one thing that you want to keep tracking and keep working on. That's my final answer.
Okay. So you don't need everything. All right.
No.
No, you definitely do not need to trade every trading session. I hate journaling and I hate all that stuff. I've tried in the past. Usually my best trading days will come if I can literally just tell you, at the end of the day, I can just tell you the trades I took. Those are usually the best sessions I've had. that I have. If I can't tell you the trades I took, then I was probably tilted and I was just pushing buttons and just going absolutely wild. So I do not like to record or do anything like that.
All right. Pine says, no way, no need to record. Myth?
Yeah, 100% agree with Pine Tree. The exact same thing I would tell you is that if I have a good day or a bad day for that matter, if I can't just look at the chart and tell you where I took trades, then that's when I did the most wrong. So that's the way I look at things as well. I don't journal. I think it's okay to record and journal if you want to, if it helps you. But you really should have a memory of what trade setups you took based on looking at the chart, especially if you're kind of following the model that you trade. So for that matter, I don't think you need to record it. And but teach his own.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Myth says definitely don't need to record. On my end, I think the same way. So it's enough to remember what you did right or wrong. Maybe write down some details. That's it. All right. Let's move on to the next one, which is called Does Execution Speed Matter? Now, this is really good. So what we're talking about here is, does execution speed matter more than traders realize, particularly when trading fast markets such as NQ? So does the execution speed matter? All right, take it away, Terry.
Yes, I think execution speed definitely matters, especially if you're scalping, and speed is everything. Can we beat the big guys who are competing on speed? No, I don't think we can. However, I think we can still scalp and still make a lot of money that way. And so speed does matter. You want to make sure you're trading with your platform or broker that's really fast. Yeah, it's really important. I have experienced where it was slower and lagging a little bit for scalping. I'm like, oh, this isn't going to work. It's like you're showing up to a party and you're late and everyone's already leaving and you just got there. Like, it doesn't feel good. Final answer.
It matters. All right, Pine.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, speed does matter. I mean, one of the things that sends me on tilt the most is missing a trade. Almost, it's like if you're trying to get in and then and the platform's not working and it's one of your systematic mechanical type strategies and then it ends up working and then you weren't in it. That's one of the things that will send me on tilt every time. So a nice reliable platform too, and the speed is very, very important. Thankfully, with the technology we have today, we usually don't have that issue, which is really a nice thing. So
all right, Pine says it does matter. Myth?
Yeah, I know Tom loved trading in the 90s where he had to pick up his phone and call the broker to execute the trade. But in today's trading environment, yes, speed matters. Just kind of like Pine and Terry said, I mean, there's nothing worse than pressing the button and then all of a sudden you're in the trade 10 points lower if you're going long or, whatever, or higher than you anticipated it being. And every point matters when you're scalping. I mean, if I'm going for 15 points, every single point matters. I want to be in as quickly as possible.
All right, so speed does matter. All right, we did it, everybody. We did it. Thank you so much. It was great. Thank you. It was awesome. I do like to add that we didn't really talk, and none of you guys talked really about limit orders. What about those limit orders? I mean, I know we're definitely stuck with scalping on NQ, and that does matter. So I also want to say, like, speed does matter, execution speed on NQ, especially if you're scalping. What about those limit orders, by the way? I'm just genuinely asking, anybody's using limit orders, or is it just me with the 90s? What's happening?
I'll use a limit order if there's a level. Like earlier, I shorted off of the 145. I parked 3 limit orders short up there. But if I'm trading an IFVG or something like that, then I'm just going to mark it in as soon as the candle closes.
All right.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same here.
Yeah, I will mark it in for quick scalps for sure. Quick, like, I want in, especially with like my breakout trades with, like, for example, the 5-minute orb. You guys have seen me do it many times where I put in a stop order, stop market order specifically. If you're new and you don't know what a stop market order is versus market order versus even a stop limit order versus a limit order, definitely important to learn. I think those are tools that we use every single day. Yeah. And everyone's different. Some people are never, ever, ever going to use a market order. They're just like, no, no, no. Unless it's a stop, of course. Like stops are usually always market orders. But yeah, it's very
Yeah.
interesting.
Good to know.
I think
Tom?
if we can, I think if we can close above 29,000 here, we're going to see a bigger candle. Let's
Yeah,
see.
I think so too. Mhm.
The Hulk
Interesting.
smash candle that we talk about. The Hulk,
Hulk
smash. It's coming.
Is it going to be a reversal? I'm not sure. I mean, I'm kind of looking at ES as well. Of course. Oh yeah, ES took out everything down there, by the way. So you know what? Maybe we can see a reversal, but is that going to be a complete reversal or just like a bounce, maybe higher? You know, up to I don't know, up to like 29,100. Who knows? I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Is this going to reverse here?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm long.
Yes.
Very possible. So the initial balance will be formed in about 9 minutes here. It's a very bearish first hour initial balance candle.
Mhm.
Okay.
So if we do get a bounce, like, I don't know, I might be looking to short it, like if we get a bounce.
That 29,100 level will be an interesting spot. That is kind of your IB mid. So if you are an IB trader, you're looking for it to push up to that level anyway.
Well, it depends how you trade IB though.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah. It depends how you trade it.
I would like to see some expansion kind of above this wick here at the 40. I want to see it really kind of just start to take off. Push right into the 64, 65 area pretty quickly. And ultimately up to the 100. Let's go. Let's go.
It's always interesting to see how people trade certain, strategies or, because people will be like, well, I trade the initial balance. It's like, well, how do you trade it? Like, there's so many different ways.
Yeah,
Yes,
for sure.
Same with the orb. There's so many different ways to trade it.
Yeah.
So I used to trade the initial balance way back in 2021 when I first learned. It was learning market profile and all that. And the only thing I could really figure out was like, well, if we broke outside the initial balance and then we came back inside, then I would look to trade, back to the point of control or whatever. Now people kind of do the opposite. You see a lot of people looking for it to kind of front running the initial balance. And yeah, it's all kinds of things you can do. And that's why, even with like ICT concepts or anything like that, you can have one trader that's profitable trading ICT concepts and then one trader that's not profitable trading ICT concepts. So it's just like all up to that individual and kind of like how they interpret the strategies and trade it. So that's what I love about trading. It's just so many different ways to make money in this.
Yeah, the only right way to trade the IB is how Pine trades it. That's it. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I don't even trade it anymore. I could never figure it out. That's why I just started trading the 5-minute chart. Only recently have I started trading the 2-minute chart, and I started trading the 2-minute chart when I got hired on for this show, just because I had 30 minutes to trade, and I figured, well, I want to try to get some scalps in
More action.
on the 2-minute, and then I haven't gone back since. I do like trading the 5 and the 2. But I went from trading TPO charts, which are essentially 30-minute candles, to 5 minutes, now down to 2 minutes, and then I just trade the 2 and the 5. So it's
Guys,
I also wanted to. Yeah,
go
go on. I just wanted to ask, like, you guys are constantly scanning timeframes from, like, for example, from like the 1 minute through the 5 minute, like even the 2, 3, 4 minute charts. Because for instance, myself, like in the past couple of weeks or actually months, I'm kind of scanning everything, like from the 1 to the 5, because that's where I'd like to enter. Obviously, I'm looking at higher time frames, but I'm just curious if you guys are definitely sticking to just one single time frame. Doesn't matter what happens on, for example, your favorite is the 3 minute, for example, but you don't care what's happening on the 5 or the 2 or the 4, whatever, just one time frame. Or are you scanning through? What do you guys do?
No, I'm watching them all because, price being fractal, your entry model might occur on the 30-second, the 1 minute. If you have a level that you believe we're going to and you're looking for an entry, dropping down to a lower time frame might give you an entry on the lower time frame that you might not get on your current time frame that you're watching. So for that reason, I watch them all. I have every time frame pulled up at all times. So
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just I'm looking. So on the 5-minute chart, I'm basically just looking for a specific entry which is the combination trade. So I'm looking for a trap. I'm looking for like an inside bar and an outside bar. So I'm looking for a trap on the 5 minute, and so I'm just and it's pretty rare, so it just pops up every once in a while. And then on the 2 minute chart, I'm just looking to scalp. I'm usually looking to scalp like 10 to 15, 20 points or more if I have a specific level that I'm going for, like an open gap or something like that. But
guys, breaking news. We do have the Tom Sabo guarantee up at 29,107.
No. I just
Breaking news.
I'm gonna look for. I just wanted to say, like, I think on the 5 minute, it does look like it wants to make another leg down. I would be looking for the 831 down there, but at least going below 900. So, I would be leaning a little bit more bearish today.
I don't know what he's talking about. He literally just texted me and said 29,107 guaranteed 100%. Mark it down, book it.
Not true. And I didn't text. Yeah.
I don't know why he's saying
I will have
here.
my revenge on this guy. Anyway, no, I didn't.
So I'm logged off that guarantee, guys. We're looking for it. I mean, no stop loss on this trade,
Well, that's a way to go.
It's just one micro. It's fine. Tom says, don't
that's
worry
fine.
about it.
That's
It's one micro. It's just
That's
one micro.
manageable. That's manageable. That's fine. Yeah. It's okay.
But I might size into it if I get an opportunity here.
Yeah, I did see some questions about gold. Not much happening. Pretty much a very bad open. Not like bad, but it's bad really. Like since 9:30, nothing is happening. Congesting down into an area, but at least it's a good sign that it's kind of holding the position here. We talked about that 47.69 up there, possible buy side liquidity. I think there's a 4-hour or daily fair value gap up there. I can imagine more push to the upside, but that's all. Otherwise, gold looks terrible, so I would not be trading it at all today. But yeah, just keep holding to a long position. If you have a long, I would be holding on to it. But yeah, otherwise, no shorts.
Yeah. Looks like NASDAQ just made the move, and YM did the same thing, and it's just chopping around now.
Terry, you muted? I think you were talking. We didn't hear you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, I was just talking about crude. Exactly. It's down. Wow, what a morning. Thank you guys. What a great way to kick off the week. We had so much winning and lots of jokes and some trolling.
Well, we will settle our differences with Myth after the show. Don't worry.
Last minute thoughts before we head out, Tom?
Well, it was amazing today as well. I mean, the vibes, as always, is super awesome, positive. Chat, you guys are amazing. And the hosts, of course. Everybody, stay tuned for Ike and Corey. They are amazing too. Lots of information. Just glad to be here. So let's continue with this. This is going to be the most amazing week that we ever had. All right, let's go.
Amazing. Thank you, Tom. Myth?
Yeah, I mean, if I don't have the best week ever, I'm just going to blame Tom, because he said it's going to be amazing. I'm waiting on it. I got to have it.
Don't worry. Your time will come. Don't worry.
I do appreciate you guys. I personally will be back on Wednesday, so you guys join us. Stick around for Corey and Ike, but join us tomorrow so that you can hear the King and Queen announcement.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Myth. Pine?
This is a great segment. Thank you, Tom. Those are great questions. Tom did the questions today. And guys, stay tuned for Ike and Corey because we're putting in a little bit of a range and chop. And I know these two guys like to trade that type of stuff. So get ready.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us this morning. Please welcome Ike and Corey. Bye, guys.
See you.
Bye, everybody.
We at it. Hey, not to the window. Maybe to the wall. How you doing today on this beautiful Monday? Let's go.
Man, what it do, my brother? What's good? What's happening? Everybody stretch your hands out, man. What's happening?
Get that stretching. You heard Tom guaranteed this week is going to be incredible. So that's it. Today it's Money Making Monday, and Tom guaranteed it. So everyone, make sure you know it's a great week, guys. Let's go.
We're going to roll with it. Why not, man?
So let's see. Chad is chilling. We're getting into a little chop after that big drop earlier this morning. And let's see what we can make happen over here. Because this little chop is just my cup of tea over here, where we're just moving a few points in this way, a few points in that way. And, I'll just get my little crumbs in each direction. That's my whole plan here.
Facts.
Exact. So let me see. I marked up my chart already on the 30-minute chat. That's how I trade. I trade on the 30-minute over here, looking for closures above or below support, resistance, and some wick rejection zones. And let's see what we can do. Right now, what I'm trading here is this. This is at rapid end of day, which is still 20% off. Code YouTube, by the way. Great plan. You can get paid right away. So there's a 30% consistency in the eval, which means you can make about $900 a day on the eval. So I'm at 52,220 here. So I need another 700 and change to pass. So I'm going to try to do that on this stream here today with some ICT and some closures above and below. That's my plan.
Let's go, man. So I've been having a malfunction this morning. I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, guys, I've never traded on TradeEvade. Oh Lord, help me. Ah! So I can't log into my trading view accounts, man. So I had to have a crash course this morning on TradeEvade, bro.
Quick thing. You might be able to fix this in this chat. If you're having this issue too, see in the top right corner, the settings button, top right corner. Yep.
Yeah.
Go there. Click add-ons. Yep.
I'm having that problem. Yep.
Okay.
It won't let me in, bro. It will not let me in. That mug is like, goodbye.
But I'll tell you what's good about TradeEvade now. They added that TP and stop loss over there. You see how
yes, sir.
Right, that's a new feature. So a lot of people didn't like using it because you have to put in your trade and place your TP and stop loss differently. Now it's right in there. You could do it by points or by money. So big W over there.
So yeah, I had a crash course on setting a 12.50 stop loss, 25-point stop loss, 50-point stop loss. Y'all, we finna try this out live.
Let's go.
Mike Lowry.
I think I might jump into an ICT right over here already, right off the bat.
Let's go.
Top of this, let's see, am I in the right account here? Am I in the right account with everything? Ooh, not in this one, hold on. Let's see.
I'm gonna switch back and forth, sharing my screen. Yeah.
All right, we got into one quick ICT over here, a sell at the top of that candle, just because it's nice size candle here, expecting a little pullback after this. It's already a 45-point candle, so all I'm looking here is for a little 4-point pullback. Get me a quick $80 on this account, and we keep it moving.
So I think what I'm gonna do is switch back and forth, show y'all what I'm looking at, and then I gotta execute my trades on TradeEvade, man.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see where we at, man. Oh, definitely getting ready to get in for a sale myself, brother.
Right at that white line.
Yup. Let me go to TradeEvade. I'm gonna do a 25-point stop loss. Oh Lord, here we go, y'all. Here we go. We're gonna. Oh, it's leaving me.
No. It heard you. It heard you.
Here we go. Order filled. Oh no, don't do that.
Almost. Ooh.
Where's my stop loss at?
Now, guys, I trade super negative RR. So you see I'm in the red right here for like 160, 170, right? My TP's only $80, but you've seen me do this 100 times where I'll take an L sometimes the first trade, but then I just stick with my negative RR strategy, which I've been doing for years, where I understand like I could take an L and then I just make it back. That's the way, that's the whole point of negative RR is you get L's, of course, but you need to be able to come back from that L. If you're blowing your account on one L, it's obviously a losing strategy. You can't have a strategy like that. So I'm letting this run. If I do get this L here, we're gonna keep it going. We're not stopping anything. The show goes on. Did you get into yours?
Yeah, I did. I forgot to switch my screen. Here we go. I'm in the trade now. I need you to do. Hey, what you doing, man? Come on, man.
Come on, man. So
I am in this trade right now. I took a sale. I think it was I took a sale at 68.25.
68.25. All right, nice entry. I got one at 58.
But on here it's showing 61. Oh Lord.
All right, we're figuring it out, chat. We're figuring it out. Chat.
I'm still in this sale. I took one micro. I'm testing stuff out.
Test it out. Yeah, exactly. It's not worth blowing an account on it.
Man.
So guys, and you know, right now there's also, I think, 2 uses for 50% off with code YouTube on, I think, the Pro and the Builder. There's a few great deals with going on right now with code YouTube, guys. So definitely take advantage of it. And you know, I want chat to know, especially if you're new into prop firm trading, what things to look out for when you're looking to buy an eval. Because over this weekend, there were some firms that promoted this, $100,000 account, get $10,000 a day payout if you want, only $100 all in, right? Sounds wow. But then when you look at the fine print over there, it's not even so fine. People just don't read it. You have a max daily loss hard breach of $1,000, which means even if you're up $5,000, if you lose $1,000 one day, you blow your whole account. It's a trap. So, you know, guys, remember when you're buying an account, it doesn't make a difference if it's a $10,000 account or a $100,000 account. What you're really buying is that drawdown, your available drawdown, where how much you can risk. So pay attention to that. Don't get tricked by a crazy price. If you see a crazy price, there could be a reason for it. You know, make sure your end of day drawdown, like MyFundedFutures has, make sure all the rules are simple and clear. That's why MyFundedFutures is like a clear, easy place that you know you're getting a reputable prop firm with reputable deal here. Just took my L on that one.
And I took a L too. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It said stop field. So I lost that trade. I don't even know how much I lost on there. I lost about $51. We learning it.
We're learning it. Now, guys, this is my eval here on day 3. So I'm going a little hard on it because, you know, evals, that's, you know, I don't want to waste a week trying to pass an eval to then go get a payout. I want to waste 2-3 days on an eval and then hopefully get a payout. I'd rather go through 2 or 3 evals and still get a payout within 7 to 10 days than only use one eval, but it takes me 15, 25, 30 days to get a payout, right? So we're getting right back in it. We took an L. I still like my sell. I still like it. I just now getting a better price, you could say. I see Echo took a long over there. Beautiful long. I mean, that candle, that's what you want when you're in a long. That's exactly what you're looking for. So W Echo.
Man, did I just hear a sound?
Uh-oh. I didn't hear it.
I'm tripping. Yeah, I did. Oh, I heard a doo-doo or something. I thought I did. Yeah.
I see the form. Doo-doo-doo.
Yeah, my bad.
We got a doo-doo-doo, everybody. We got the doo-doo-doo in the building.
I barely heard it. I'm like, did I hear it, man?
Second form drop, guys. Yo, so rumor is on Wednesday when we stream, there might be some superheroes. We might be.
Yeah.
That's the rumor, chat.
Yeah.
Rumor is we've been shopping for some superhero costumes.
Yeah, y'all gonna see some superheroes in the building.
Look out on Wednesday. Look out. So I got another sell limit here at the top again. Just waiting to see if I can catch this XCT again in here. So we gonna see. So man, that was a crazy morning. See, I'm happy when I don't trade, like I don't get caught in these big candles like that, because you know especially when I'm going for small take TPs, I'm going for quick hits. I don't want any big candles around me, you know. So happy I missed out on that.
I got a signal. Oh man, I gotta be fast. I got a signal on TradingView. I'm in a trade right now. I'm currently in the trade right now. All right, so my TP is right here.
What are you in? You're in a sell?
Yeah, I'm in a sell right now.
Oh yeah, I see that. Okay.
I had got a signal. On
TradingView.
I got a signal on TradingView. I'm learning, bro. This is on the fly.
Yeah, I know. It's Tradeovate's like, it's not bad, but it's definitely not as like user friendly, intuitive as like TradingView. You know,
and I'm used to doing it. Go ahead. My bad.
No, sorry. It looks a little like those old, like it was made in the 80s and no one ever changed it. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks very NES. Like it was made
man.
NES, you know?
So I'm a phone trader at heart. So I trade all my stuff off my phone, but when I'm on stream, I do it from the computer. So Tradeovate is not phone friendly, man, and I'm trying to figure it out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The Tradeovate, though, they do have a Ninja Trader app, which is really the same login. You know, Ninja Trader is owned by Tradeovate, or the other way around, whatever.
Yeah.
One company. The Ninja Trader app on our phone, the Samsung Fold, is actually not too bad. You know, you could set your,
It's
your
not.
stop losses. You could do a buy real quick, sell real quick. The phone one is really not bad. I would say try that out. You might be, because I was impressed with it when I played it. I'm like, oh wow. I'm like, this is actually easy enough, and it's kind of fluid, and you know, so check it out. Ninja Trader app on the phone for any Tradeovate prop.
That's
you know?
what's up. Okay.
Yeah, check it out.
I'm gonna add to this. All right. So
I'm
I
still
added
sitting.
to this.
Nice. So I'm still sitting in the. I'm not in it. I got a sell limit here at the top at 093. Looks like I'm about to get in there. Oh, got in there on that push up. All right, that's enough of a push.
Dang.
That's enough of a push, I said.
Look, as soon as I added, this mug just started boosting up. Dang.
Come on. Let's see. Let's see. Are these candles too crazy for ICT? Like the last three were perfect. Then the ones I get in, all of a sudden, were popping. But for support and resistance, you know, this isn't bad here. If we can get this candle to close somewhere in this range, next candle pull back a bit, I would totally put a buy stop to keep them.
All right. Did you hear that? Can you hear that?
I heard that. Yep.
Field. Yeah.
Yep. Unfortunately.
Right. That stopped me out. So that wasn't good.
Yeah.
But that was my setup though. So I'm cool with that.
Yeah, that last trade, the trade I took and took an L, same deal. I looked at it after I took the L, and I'm like, nah, I would have taken that every time. Like, I can't be mad. We weren't near any wicks over there. You know, sometimes trades just don't work out, but I couldn't. You know, after you take an L, you kind of look at that like, should I have been in that trade? And yeah, I don't regret. You know, that was my setup.
That's my setup. I can't help that, man.
Let's see if I could. Let's see if we can claw our way back here.
Let's see how much we down. We are down $164. Let's switch accounts. Let's see. Let's go to the rapid. All right. Hey, where we at on likes, family?
Yeah, where we at?
We
got a giveaway coming soon, guys. So fill out that form, like and share. All right, we got that one. 1-1 over here. Still.
All right, that's cool, man. So we are at, guys, we got 439 people watching. We got 343 likes, man. Let's run it up, man. Let's see if we can get some more likes, family.
Try to catch another one here.
Jeez, man.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try
Did
to
it
catch
tap you in?
Yeah, got me in and out real quick. So quick $80, quick dubs on that, but gonna see how many we can catch over here. I'm gonna go back and forth from the 5 to the 15 also, and keep looking at the support and resistance, of course. Oh, I see. I'm gonna got his first payout Friday. Congrats.
Let's go. Congratulations, man.
First of many. I hope.
Get in for a sell again.
That's it.
Man, I gotta go, bro. I'm going.
You know that it's super rare for someone to get a payout even, but if you can get 2 payouts from that same account, that's like the top like 5% of people who get payouts is getting 2 payouts from the same account. So when we're trading again on Wednesday and Monday, I hope you're telling us about your second payout, man. Let's go. Let's see.
That's my stop loss, and this is take profit.
See, crashes in
the somewhere. All right, here we go.
So I closed that. We got another minute left for this candle to close. I mean, under a minute, 20 seconds. So I'm going to let this 5-minute candle close, 15-minute candle close, and see where we go from there. But right now, what I'm looking at, as far as like my support and resistance trading, is I'm bullish because we closed above the range. We closed above the EMA, and the next 2 candles look like they're closing above this EMA. So to me, I would like a little pullback down to like the 47, the 50s, and I'd look to buy here and fill this range up to the 130s. So let's see if I can get a pullback. If we can get a pullback, I'm going to get into this trade just because these last 3 5-minute candles are just telling me we're going up.
I was trying to hurry up and catch me a quick sell before it popped. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm trying to catch. Let me rephrase that. If
I could get price to come down to like the 70s, man, it's going to run what I was If I could get it to come down to the 70s, I would still get in it now. It's not too late for me, but I need a push down to like the 70s to get in. And Chet, that's what's great about trading when you're trading 5-minute candles, right? Like if you don't see your setup, you wait for the next 5-minute candle. It's not a rush. You're not trading these 4 hours or 1 hour where if you happen to miss or if it doesn't line up properly, now you got another hour wait until you could trade again, you know?
All right, NQ, what you gonna do, man? Come on, man.
Come on, man. We got you see Streamlabs putting in the chat about the 50% off for that builder. So guys, take advantage while you can. Let's see. I just want this push down to the 70s and I'm gonna get into a buy. Going back from the 5-minute to the 15, just looking at what we're seeing here. I think it's gonna run without us.
Yeah, it stopped me out. I got stopped out for the sale. So I'm 0-3. I'm gonna keep going. They ain't finna stop.
I'll blame
me.
It on TradeAvate.
Yeah, it's TradeAvate fault, man.
It's TradeAvate. Hey, look, you know what? Here's the move. You go 0-3 with one micro, and then you get one. You go 1 for 1 with one mini, and it's all good.
Yeah,
that's it. That's it.
We are finna push. Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely look like cause on shoot, I gotta switch my screen. Let's see.
I'm gonna back to work, SC. All right, get back there and we'll see you next week or later this week for that next payout.
Yeah, this is definitely finna push out.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's got that big long wick.
Pause.
hanging out, and I was just hoping we'd push down first so I could get in for that fill up. But sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. But that's the whole point of waiting for your trade, because part of being consistently profitable isn't the trades you're taking, it's trades you're not taking. So I know to not take that, even though it worked out this time. You got to focus on the big picture, not like, oh, this time it would have worked out, I should have taken it. It's like, you know, this one time doesn't mean anything.
This caught me, boy. This caught me right here. This chopped and screwed, man, gave me indication that I could catch a quick sale, which it went up and then came down to take profit, as usual.
Try to do a little scalp on the top, a little ICT right on the top of that candle, and see if we could just pop the top and then pull right back. Let's see. I'm just waiting. I know that there's a candle coming and it's gonna retest these, you know, lows down at like the 50s or 40s. I just know that's coming, and that's kind of like where I want to get in. But I'm okay grabbing a couple scalps on the way up.
What I was looking for was 68, somewhere in there, because it looked like it just consolidated and then popped up, and also at this 20, the purple 20 EMA, man.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for too. I wanted to push down to the 70s and then buy, but we never got it. It started looking to, but never got it. But let us see.
Hey, Forex, go and talk to him. We got somebody that said, why only a $80 TP? Go ahead, school him, man.
Dukes, I understand what you're saying. I really do.
Put the shades on while you talk. Come on.
Yeah. Let me put on some shades. Okay.
Yeah, man. Talk to him, man. Tell him about it, man.
I understand what you're saying about the $80 TP, right? It sounds dirty. It sounds like, what's the point, right? Like $80? Like, what are we trading for? But can I ask you something? If you could scalp 3 or 4 $80 hits off one 15-minute candle, like that's $300, $320. Like, what's wrong with that? And first of all, let's just say it's $80. Let's just say it's $80 off a 15-minute candle. What is wrong with making maybe $150 in an hour scalping and copy trading? You know, so yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I love those big runners. I love when someone can run, catch a 50, 100-point trade. I love that. Believe me, I love it. But it's not about getting the beautiful trades. There's another 80. Look, another $80. Why only 80?
Why are you talking?
80? Yep. Dukes, that's 160 so far, and we're going to keep it going. But do you see what I'm saying? It's like, the reason you're saying why only 80 is because you've been tricked or lied to that you have to be making thousands on every trade or you're not a trader. Okay, you've been lied to. Okay, I'm gonna erase that memory. Where's my memory eraser? Oh, I forgot where I put it because I erased the memory. But you've been lied to. What I'm saying is you just want to get consistent payouts. You don't need to be the best trader. You don't need to be able to predict 50 point, 100 point, 200 point runs. Okay, someone else is working so hard to get 40 points. They keep blowing their accounts. I'll take 4 points 10 times on 5 candles and get there. So you figure out what works for you, and whatever works for you, you should continue to do. This works for me. Getting $80 4 or 5 times on an account, then jumping to the next account and doing it again, that works for me. That gives me consistent payouts. And it's not something new I'm trying. You go follow me on Twitter, Forex Ike. You'll see me be posting the same trades and payouts for years, not days, not weeks, not months, years. So this works for me. I'm totally happy making $400 on an account with a bunch of $80 scalps. That makes my day. If you're able to take these trades where you're making 1,000, 500, whatever it is on a trade, then you should keep doing that. And I love that for you. It's just not for me. You know what I'm saying, Jukes?
It's all good. Do it. There you go.
It. But I get it. I get the feeling. You know, on Friday I streamed with Mr. Zink. You know, he trades like 3 micros and lets it run a good 50 points. Me, I'm doing this. So I traded with Mr. Zink and I've shown I think I got like 6 in a row of these $80 hits, right? While scalping, right? Like pop, pop, pop. And I know how it feels. It feels like you shouldn't be able to make $80 that quickly. It's not right. You should be figuring stuff out. You should be marking out the Asia high, London low to trade. No, it's all a lie. You just need to make money. And if you figure out your edge, your way to make money in the market, that's all you got to do. And you found a cheat code to make money forever. Okay. That's how I trade it.
So I'm trying it again, man. We in another sale, man. We in a consolidation. I'm looking for a little bit movement going down, man. I went in for another sale on the 1 minute time frame on trade. Oh, that's not, man. Come on, man. Hey, man. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, whoa. Hey, what happened to my screen? What happened to my screen? Okay, there we go.
There we go. I'm gonna do a little. I'm gonna attempt an XCT by putting a buy all the way down at 29.079. So, 10 points away down there at the bottom of that wick. Just a quick buy for those 4 points. So I've just got a limit order there. We'll see if we get filled or not. But that's where I'm at right now.
Man, we got a bunch of consolidation right there, man. On the 1 minute, I don't want to switch screens, but boy, it looked like it want to go down farther.
It does. Emmanuel saying, goat in the motivation. Yes, look, I want to motivate you guys because I'm telling you, you guys, the fact that you're here watching this stream means I know you could be profitable because it doesn't take crazy stuff to become profitable. You know what I mean? So the fact you're watching this, I know you guys can do it if you're not there yet. And you just need to simplify things. You don't believe lies where you have to have a minimum this, minimum that. Don't move this, don't move that. Focus on what can I do to consistently make money? And that's what you got to focus on.
That is so messed up, man.
I
tried taking profit and I tried to move on my stop loss and then it didn't move. It keep trying to confirm with me. Oh, Lord.
Oh, you did. There's a button to click to make you not have to confirm every time. There's a button. I think there's a checkbox. Well, look, we're coming back down. Come on. We got to.
Oh, goodness.
We're coming back down because it's got to get me into this trade at 29.80.
Come on down, man. Come on, man. Go down, man.
Come on, man.
I'm messing up, man.
Push it down, man.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Oh, my goodness, boy.
Yeah. Gibby said it's called one-click trading. It's a setting on TradeAvate so that you don't need to confirm every time. I know that messes everyone up.
Oh, man, that sucked.
Yeah.
I ain't going to give up, though. Come on, man.
Come on. It's got to push back down. Let me go look at gold, too, over here. I'm going to mark up gold, chat. I don't know if anyone in the chat trades gold. Pretty much trade it the same way, but I'm just going to mark it up while I'm waiting on NQ over here. I go to the 30-minute, and I'm just kind of marking up candle closures, wick touches, and I trade it the same way. I know last time gold did us dirty on Wednesday.
Oh, man. She gave me money, and I'm staying away.
So I'll just have a peek. I'll just have it open, gold and NQ. NQ, I'm still waiting to get filled in on that. Let's see.
Hey, so it's like I can't see. I can only see on the right hand side where it said it would help if I had a line like going like this, man, and it don't show on the right hand side when I do that, man. Oh my goodness!
Come on, here we go. We coming down here now.
Coming down.
Yes, chat. We got a race coming soon. Make sure to share, like, subscribe, all that stuff. That helps get us more giveaways, more races, more everything.
Come on down. I said, come on down. I need to come on down. Give me some money. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Come
come
on.
I heard you.
Come on. Where we at? Where we at? I'm out. Oh, do not show this again. Yeah, man.
Yes, there we go.
Get
Do
out of
not
there.
show this again. That's
Oh
it.
my God.
Do not show that again.
Man, that almost messed me up. We grabbed a little bit of profit off there, man.
I'm not getting in these trades. Trying. I got an order in the bottom. I had an order at the top. We're just waiting here.
All right, I grabbed me a little bit of profit off that. How much I grabbed? I grabbed about what, 50?
I might do a little trade here on gold if this candle flips to fill out wick. Pause. Chat. Chat. The reason for what I'm doing here on this trade is I trade this gold the same, support and resistance. So right now we came into this range, left this long wick. We're retesting this resistance now. If we close above, if this candle closes above in 2 minutes, I'm going to cancel this trade. But what I'm anticipating here is that we're going to test this resistance, which we're doing now, and respect it. So I'm not just going to sell over here, because what if I'm wrong, right? I don't want to be right now in drawdown. So instead I put a sell stop, waiting for price to come tap me in, and I run along with price, right? I'm coming in second place. I'm not calling saying this is when it's turn around. I'm saying once it turns around and it keeps pushing, then take me with you and let's go fill this wick together, you know? So that's the thought behind this sell stop. And again, like I said, if the price closes above this support / resistance, we're gonna cancel this trade and wait for another 5 minute. Same time, let's go back to NQ. I think I'm about to get tapped in here. We about to get tapped in for a quick 40.
Yeah. Let's you in?
Not yet. Oh, by 2 ticks. Let's see. Gonna try it again. Let's see, chat. I'll get real zoomed in over here.
Oh my gosh.
Oof. Let's check
my
the gold.
gosh.
How's the gold trade? Here we just got the I'm in
Tag
NQ.
in.
Oh, we got tapped in. And we out.
There you go.
In or no.
Good trade, man.
Thank you. Quick XCT over there. Gold we're still sitting on. We're going to wait another minute to see where this candle closes. If it closes above, I'm going to cancel. If we close below, I like that because that's kind of just showing that we are respecting, and I would anticipate that next candle to push down and fill the range down. I mean, look, all these wicks have gotten filled, right? Look at them. They've all been getting filled. So I anticipate this one to get filled. And then this guy who's hanging out here since 8:30 a.m., I think that he's waiting to get filled too whenever they're all ready. So that's my anticipation is I think we are going to fill these wicks. And if I'm wrong, if price just keeps pushing up, hopefully I never get into the trade. I cancel the order and no harm, no foul. We keep it pushing.
Man, I'm thinking about my bad. Go ahead.
No, just reading chat. Nathaniel's asked how much profit was that. It was $80. Okay, I'm going for my ICT scalps are 1 mini for 4 points, so it's $80. Quick $80 hits. Pop. Sorry, you were saying?
Oh, I was saying, man, I'm looking to see if I can get in for a buy, maybe at this white line of support and resistance on the 5 minute, man. I'm just waiting to see. I'm just saying I'm not in no trades yet, man.
Yeah. Well, it's 11 o'clock, so it's 11 o'clock right now. Oh, I got my gold entry here. I might cancel this here. I don't like how that wick is hanging out. I'm canceling the gold order. It's already 11 o'clock, so we had an order in there. We canceled it. Let's see what happens. We'll keep monitoring it. I canceled it, but I just have the entry showing like that. But okay, let's see.
perfect.
Yes. What do you? So you're looking for a buy over here? You said, right?
I'm thinking about it. I'm waiting.
Yeah, I want to give this candle another like 2-3 minutes. You know, it's the first
Exactly.
candle. Yeah,
That's why I'm waiting.
yeah, chat. You know, you after you trade for a while, you get enough screen time. You start seeing like certain things that kind of pop out. And for me, these hourly candles, they just have weird moves in the beginning and when they're ending. You know, so I like to just sit back probably the last 2 minutes of an hour and 2-3 minutes of the first part of the hour to just let that candle do a little something something and then decide what to do. You know.
I'm being patient this real.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it another minute here, and then if not, I'm looking for an ICT. I would love a buy a little bit lower because, especially with that wick up there, you know, I'm still bullish here. I'm still bullish, even though we got this red candle forming here. I'm still bullish.
Either I was gonna take it at this white line, but the better entry is at 29,046. This is the better entry for me instead of just rushing it at this white line.
Yeah. It's always better to wait a little bit, you know. It's better to miss out on a W than get filled on an L. You know what I mean? So I'm all about that life.
I'm waiting. So I'm gonna get ready. I switched to Tradeovate, and I got Trading View on my phone, so I could pay attention to that. So I'm definitely looking for price to come around what I say 48. No, 46.
I'm gonna try a little XCT here. I'll put a little buy limit at the break of this low at 63. With the TP again, guys, in chat, only 4 points away, which is another great point about MyFundedFutures. There's no time limit for any type of scalping with MyFundedFutures where you have to have it for 10 seconds or something crazy like you might see in other firms. Some have it like a minute. Some every trade that's under 10 seconds, they take the profit away. And if it's an L, you keep the whole L. So MyFundedFutures doesn't do any of that. They have a minimum 4 ticks, no seconds, 4 ticks on your chart. That's all they want in a trade. That's the minimum. So you can still do some great scalping. You don't need to worry about the time. You don't need to be having a stopwatch like, okay, I'm in a trade. Count down to 10. You know what I mean? So let's see. Still got that order in there. So you're waiting for price to push a little bit lower to the 40s.
Yep.
Did you say 43? Was that the
46?
Yeah.
That's where my 30-minute liquidity zone is at, but I switched screens so I can prepare. I don't want to be like, oh, let me switch.
Yeah, Foster currency saying some firms want you to hold for 2 minutes. Yeah, it's crazy. Like I get like if a firm says you got to have a minimum of 10 seconds, fine. I don't want to trade with them. I'd rather not have a time limit, but fine, 10 seconds, okay. But yeah, there's some with a minute or 2 minutes. Like, bro, like what are we even doing here? Like, you know what I mean? There's no reason to trade with a firm like that. All right, I just got tapped in here. Let's see.
Got it, didn't you?
And yep, got it. That's another dubs. So yeah, chat. That's what I do. These quick 4 points, and I know it's. Look, I drive a Tesla. It's the same thing. I get the same looks driving a Tesla as I do when I scalp negative RR 4 points. People just look at me like, ugh. But I love it. Okay, I love it. I'm sorry, I love it. Okay, you got to be true to yourself. Be true to thine self. And once you are, you're just free. Like, so yeah, I scalp. I know people online might think it's ugly. Who cares? I'm getting payouts. You know what I mean? Like, you got to focus on what's important. It's not impressing other people. It's making sure you're taken care of, your family's taken care of. And if that means scalping 4 points consistently gets you paid, why would you look to do anything else, right?
So I'm coming up on my entry, man.
There you go. Cyril asked, how do I deal with big losses on small accounts? So yeah, look, you saw my first trade on this account just this morning was about $650, right? Big loss on it, but I stick to what I know works. Since then, we took 3 W's or 4 W's. So that's 80 times 4 is 300 and change, right? I'm just making my way back up. And if I have multiple accounts and I take a big loss on a funded account, I'll just jump to the next funded account for the day, right? Like there's nothing wrong with that. When you're doing prop firms, you should be using what prop firms are good for. And that means you can blow an account and still get a payout on another account and be super profitable. So nothing wrong with jumping around from one account to another. Do 2-3 trades on one account, go to the next account. 2-3 trades, go to the next account. 2-3 trades. Oh, you hurt that account. Big deal. Your other 2-3 accounts are up. So don't get lost in a loss. Like don't make one L blow your account. It should never happen like that. Maybe 2.
I got in for a quick buy. We're gonna see if this work out. I drew my lines.
I like it. I mean, this is right by my support level over here. So this would be a perfect time for price to do a little something. Jag B said, what's my typical RR trade? My typical RR is like 0.6 or so, right? So I'm pretty much, or 0.4 or so. So I'm pretty much 1 L will wipe out 3 to 5 W's. Okay. And I know that. It's not like I don't know that. Like I know that. But if you get 1 L for 19 or 20 trades, that's totally fine. Like it's all about, no, there we go. A nice little push up. So RR, of course, it matters, but only in relation to win rate. There you go. Money, cha-ching. Alice Future says anywhere from 1-1 to 1-2 RR is good. Yeah, depending on your win rate, right? If you have a low win rate, 1-1 and 1-2 will not get you paid. If you have a super high win rate, you can have 1 to 0.5 like I do, right? So it's not RR alone says nothing, and win rate alone says nothing, right? I could have, if I have no stop loss, I could have a 99% win rate, but then blow my account on that one trade that doesn't work out, right? So you got to look at the numbers together, and that's how you know if you have a profitable strategy. It's not your RR, it's not your win rate, it's your RR with your win rate that will tell you if you're doing well.
That was a quick buy right off this 30-minute liquidity zone.
Yeah, perfect bounce. And you see, chat, that I drew out this this line here in the beginning of the stream, because if you scroll all the way back to, where is this? This is in July here. We just have a lot of bouncing around here, right? And that just happened again, right? Price does what price does. And then perfect place to buy. There was a perfect buy over there and bounced right back up. So let's see. See if I can catch another ICT over here.
I actually thought about getting in right again, man. It just keep bouncing right off this.
That's where I got the buy now. I got a buy at 42. I got a buy limit at 42 just looking for 4 points here.
That's exactly where I thought about getting in.
Yeah, guys, you got to be at the beginning of the segment here to get into those races. You never know when that do will happen, and that link is dropped, and you got a few minutes to get in. After that, missed it.
That was a nice buy.
Yeah,
it hit twice too.
Tanya, I prefer my strategy when I'm doing my scalping, right? Because I also trade support and resistance, which is more of a range. But for scalping, for sure, ranging markets. Because really, think about what I'm doing. I'm just betting that price is going to go somewhere and then move up and down 4 points, 4 or 5 points. As long as there's no big moves and price is ranging, just by math, chances are you'll hit your TP, right? You'll hit your 4-point TP. So I like ranging for my scalping, and during trending, I like my support and resistance.
Man, I'm thinking about getting in a buy to go fill up this 5-minute gap fill. I don't know. It looked good.
Like too. I know. I feel like I'm wondering if I missed it. I like it also.
I'm a switch, man, just in case. I'm ready.
So yeah, if we can get a pushback down to the 40s.
Oh, we a duck race?
Oh, what? Is it happening?
Oh, we a duck race?
It's coming up. Duck race coming up. Duck race is coming. Oh,
there we go.
I hear it.
I thought so.
I hear it.
We ready. Let's go, man. Duck race.
Let me get the strobe light going. Strobe light.
Let's go. Cue the music.
Hey.
Let's go. Hey, let's go. Woo. Da 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 da. Quack, 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 Dab on them. Quack. Run. Quack on them. Quack. Come on. Quack.
Who we got? Who we got? Who's leading the race? Who's leading the race?
Who we got, man? Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? I can't read these names.
Everybody, press 1 2 1 2 in the chat. That makes you go quicker. 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2. Come on. 1 2 1 2. Come on. Hey.
Oh, we got the final 10 seconds. We got Treasure Cash. Treasure Cash. We got green coming in. We got Soul Effects. We got green. We got Treasure Cash. Who's coming?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Who is it?
Hey. I better go take off all these shades to see who won that one. Let's see what we got.
Johnny
There he
Boom.
is. Look at that. 15
P
winners.
Rash with the
Congrats.
W again. Shout out to P Rash.
I gotta say that Panda Duck, he's always the fastest duck from what I've seen. I think whoever gets Panda's pressing that 1 2 1 2 1 2 real quick on the keyboard and making it.
That's crazy.
Like, I don't know. And guys, as usual, you get this account, you pass the eval, tag Corey and I. We love seeing it. So let us know that you won an account and you tag us on that.
Let's see where we at, man. I don't know what I want to do.
I still think price is going to come back down one more time. I do, but I can't just jump in the sell because I think that. Yeah, I got my buy limit right at this resistance over here, or support, and seeing if we can catch this. Although, to be honest, I think that would be a great entry to run all the way back up to these 110s. But let's see. How big is this candle?
I'm gonna switch to trading view right quick. Let's see. Man, I want to get in for a sale at this gap fill, but man, I feel like this thing might just shoot straight past that joker, man.
Yeah.
I was looking for a retest right there where you was, brother. And I'm nervous of taking the buy right here because the better position was down here.
Yeah, that's my thing. Is I'm scared you get a buy here and then price comes back down one more time to the 40s.
See, I would have got it, but I'm scared. Nope. Nah.
I'm gonna try. It's not really a good ICT, to be honest. On the 5,
I would have got it too. Yep, but I was nervous. Yeah, I said that I thought about getting in a buy right here, but I didn't feel comfortable.
Looking for that better entry.
Now, what I might do now that it went up is get in for a sale, going right back to this spot where your entry is. Let me.
As soon as you said that, price dropped like 10 points.
It's crazy. I gotta switch my screen right quick. All right, I'm gonna get in for a sale, man. I'm in for a sale.
Nice.
I'm in for a sally.
Let's go.
We're going down.
Okay. I got a buy limit at the bottom of the resistance, and I got a sell limit at the top of that candle. So I'm pretty much looking for price to kind of just retest itself. So if it breaks this low, I'm looking for a little pullback at that 80.
Woo! Out.
Go.
Got it.
OMHV is asking if that was the last giveaway for today. OMHV at 11:35. We may be doing another giveaway if the stream's still going on at 11:35. If not, come back tomorrow. But let's see. So I got my buy limit still at the bottom of this resistance. See if we can catch it. See, we were talking about it. Price going up, but we're afraid it's going to go push right back down before going back up. And here's that push. Let's see if I can get in this trade here. See if we can catch it. That's a 5-minute, new 5-minute over here. Actually, and a new 15-minute. See, if this doesn't get filled now, which it doesn't look like it will, I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to cancel both orders and wait another 2 minutes because I don't like getting in the beginning of a candle or really at the end of the candle. So this 5-minute candle just formed now. Let me give it a minute to like breathe, stretch, feel comfortable. It's Monday. And then after, there you go. That's what I want the candle. Just relax.
Yeah,
Thank you.
man.
Let's see. But I still like those orders, but I got to give it another 2 minutes here where, I got the timer on the side over here. It's 14 minutes left in this candle. I'm going to wait till there's about 12 and a half, meaning like 2.5 minutes of this candle kind of form. Give it a little bit of structure and body.
Yeah.
And then let's see if we can scalp a couple points real quick.
All right. I do like this buy right here. I might give this a shot right here.
You're getting a buy to fill those wicks all the way up there.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it, but it gotta come tap this area for me to get in. It got to. If it don't get down there, I don't want it.
Damn, vibration in the chat. Spamming and
dang,
getting blocked like a silly boy.
What is going on?
So silly. Bro, there's no if there's winners happening more again, it's because they're in the chat all the time and they're participating every time. Like there's always new winners. There's no one benefits by giving the same people accounts, right? Like MyFundedFutures wants to give out accounts to multiple people all the time, so people are posting and sharing, right? So like there's no advantage. MyFundedFutures is not trying to give the same people accounts every time. They'd in fact rather not. So we need more people joining and sharing so that more people could win.
Hey man, before that, go ahead. Go
for it.
Oh, I was gonna say, man, shoot, before we get off the stream, man, I was gonna open up a club pack, man, from the MyFundedFutures club,
yes,
man.
let's
See
do
what
it,
we
let's do
get
it.
before the
while we're
stream
waiting on this
ends.
candle.
Oh, you want me to now?
I mean, why not? Why not? That's
right.
always fun. It gets my blood going.
Oh shoot, hold on, let me share the screen then, man. Let's go to MyFundedFutures. Oh shoot, we got a club pack that we have not
look out.
opened, man.
Let's
Go.
Let's
Ooh,
see.
what can we get from this?
I like ripping the top. I like when you just, I do it on my phone. Just like,
All right, here we go, y'all. Let's open the pack, man. Y'all ready?
let's do it.
All right, zip that
Zip
joker
it.
open, man. Here we go. What we get?
What? Oh, points. I thought I was 100.
I thought it was 100% off. Yeah, man.
I was like, what?
I was like,
Oh,
yeah,
man.
let's go.
Oh,
Well, it's
well.
all good.
you know.
That's something I didn't have before, so hey, it's all good.
Nice.
All right, let's go back to the charts, man.
Chat, remember to pass an eval, to get a payout, to trade well, you've got to be patient. So if you're in chat bugging about giveaways and you're not patient enough to wait on a giveaway, you're just going to blow that eval anyway. Like, who cares,
Thanks.
right? Like, the whole point of the eval is to get you to payout. So you got to be patient. Wait for, a giveaway's coming. Like, you just wait. Take a deep breath. If you got other stuff to do, then, maybe trading
Facts.
isn't right for you either. You know what I mean? Like,
Facts.
it's free accounts.
Yeah, that's facts.
Let's see. I'm gonna try another ICT here. Sell limit at the top of this candle here. We'll see if we can get a push up and then a pull down.
I just went to the 15 and saw something, but I really don't do 15 like you do. I do the 5.
Yeah, I go back and forth on it. The 15 sometimes just makes me feel a little safer. You know what I mean? Because it's kind of like moved more and stuff. But I jump back and forth on it.
I got you.
Yeah, someone wrote, you got to be patient, just join the giveaway and hope for it. Exactly. I join those giveaways a lot of times too, hopefully to win, and then just say, let's give it to a random person in the chat. I've never won either. It's not, but that's how giveaways work. Sometimes you join for 6 months, you don't win, and then all of a sudden you win 3 weeks in a row. Like, it's random. You catch it, you don't catch it, but it's free 99, so who cares?
Free 99.
Exactly. Let's see if we push back down here. Let's see, I'd try a little.
I'm not gonna lie, I like the sale though.
Like a little sell over there.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it.
I placed an Ike CT again at the top of this candle and the bottom. I got to buy all the way down at 42, and I got to sell all the way at 64. We'll see if either of these get filled before we get off stream here. But I'm looking to get in this trade. The only way I'm not is if this candle just kind of doesn't break its own high or low in the next 8 minutes. Otherwise, I'm going to be in this trade one way or another.
I'm going for a small sale, man.
I like it. I hope it pushes down to 42.
That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Just give me a little small profit.
There we go. There we go. There's a there. Oh,
got it. I'm out.
Nice. I'm out there. Oh my. Oh. We both out. We both made money.
Let's go. Let's go.
We both made money. And you see that? Look, you were in a sell, I was in a buy, and we both made money. That's trading.
Quick.
That's why you can't even like tell somebody if they're trading right or wrong. Because look, we were both in different trades and we both hit our TPs. How? Because we have different TPs, different entries. You know what I mean?
Crazy. Well, okay.
And chat, even though I'm 5-1 today, 5 wins, 1 losses, I'm still down on the day. I still got to win another trade to get to BE, but I know that going in, and I know when I get a loss, I get happy. I said, oh, thank the Lord, there's a loss. Now I have 19, 20 wins coming in a row. I like get that out the way. You know, I go to the doctor. He's like, hey, this has, 999 out of 1,000 patients have no problem. I'll be like, well, what number are we up to right now? Because I'm going to wait for that problem. Then put me in. I don't want to come in at the end. So same with these trades. You know you're catching an L, but nothing wrong with catching an L if you know your system has more W's than L's.
I'm thinking about getting in for a buy on TradingView. We getting ready to hit my spot again.
I'm telling you, like, and for chat watching this, I am thinking price is going to come back up to this 29, 107 to 117, these wicks over here. I really feel price will come back up here, especially we're respecting down here. That's something I'm looking at right now is if the next candle could do another retest down here, I would put a buy stop to ride price up.
Oh, shoot, man. Okay, the one right there. And then just move this one right here. All right, let's see how far we're going to go up, man. Let's see what we can get.
Let's go. You're in the buy already?
I'm in the buy. Yes, sir. We're pushing up.
Yes, sir.
Ooh-wee.
There we go. Let's
taking it.
Whip.
Got it.
Money. Now I might try a little Ike CT right here at the top. Little quick scalp here. We just got in. Quick little scalpage. Oop. And another one. That's it.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Advice.
Nope.
Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Right?
I was going to say not financial agna. I slipped up on my words.
But chat, this is the trade, right? Look, Corey and I both started this day with taking an L, and then you just, as long as you have a strategy that you've been doing, that you know what you're doing, you know, an L, no one likes taking an L. It's not like, oh, great, but we know if we stick with it, those L's disappear and the W's shine out. So that's part of it. You don't let an L ruin your whole account. It doesn't matter if you have the best RR in the world. Some people go on tilt the second they take an L. So even if your RR was like 1 to 50, if one L will set you off and then you end up blowing your account doing some crazy stuff, what's the point? What's the point? I think I'm gonna try another one. Wow, look at us going right up to this little rejection zone up there. Try to catch a little pullback, maybe. Let's try to catch one more little pullback here, right?
Well, you finna take one to continue buys? Because I was thinking about it too. Oh, you trying to catch a sale?
I do like the buy, but I need like a red candle to retest something. Okay, I just got in a quick sell over here. You're in a buy right now?
Nope, not yet.
Oh. Was right by a TP and got edged. You know, you see, this is one of those trades where once I'm in it, I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, it's not smart with my strategy to take a sell next to a wick on the left because you assume that wick will get filled. Like if anything, I should have waited for this wick to get filled and then take the sell. So when I'm reviewing, like once I'm in a trade like this, I'm like, this was not a prime trade for me. Like I should have eyeballed this and really gotten in the sell right around here at 97. And I probably would have had my TP. Yeah, we're at the 94. I probably would have had my TP if I but let's see. But right now I'm not proud of myself on that trade, guys, because of these wicks to the left. And I'm always talking about them wicks getting filled. You know that.
Hey, this thing do look like you want to come back down, because I'm looking on I'm looking on my other screen as well. Man, that do look good though.
Come on, one more. Just need like 4 more. Wait, you're right there.
Yep, it's gotta come. Come on, it's gotta. Yep,
got him.
Got it.
Got him. Now, even though
Good
that was a
trade.
W, I still don't like that trade that I took, because a lot of times that won't work out. And if I would have just waited for it to come up and fill that wick, it would have been a quicker W with no drawdown, you know? But either way, it's a W now, so we're not thinking about it, but that's something I definitely am conscious of. So
now get this. I'm looking on Trading View on my 5-minute time frame, and I'm thinking about getting in for a buy.
I do think we got to come into these like 108s, 110 area. I really think we got to come back up to this rejection zone.
On 5 minute, this is what I was looking at, brother. Oh, I knew it had a chance of rejecting, and now that it reject, I'm looking for it to go back up.
Yep.
But I think I'm away though. I didn't did enough. I'm straight.
Let's see. It's 11:27. I think maybe I'm gonna try one more ICT, and I'm gonna give it like a minute to fill. If it doesn't fill, you know, the 30-minute candles to 1 hour candles, I'm always just a little weary on. So I'm gonna give it right now. We got 2.5 minutes left on this candle. I'm gonna give it 1 minute to see if I can get in one more sell right at the top over here, and see how that goes, and see if we can catch one last trade for the stream.
I'm gonna go the opposite way though.
All right, you gotta buy stop in there, or what do you got?
I'm about to get in for a buy. All right.
Well, I hope it pushes all the way up to 96.
That's the game plan. We finna see. Will it give it to me? I wanted to get in for a buy going up to your TP.
And guys, my chop strategy, scalping strategy, it's great in chop. So if you're trading at night, sometimes this is great when we're not really moving too much. You know, right now we only get an hour together to spend, and it's 10:30 to 11:30.
Woo!
That's our trading time.
Come
so
on.
you're in that buy?
Come on.
Yeah. What was your entry? The 80s?
87. Come on, keep going.
Okay.
50. Oh, out.
Nice. Oh, and I just got in a trade. Oh, I just got in. Let's see.
Let's see.
Just need a quick 4 points over here. Just down to 93.
Come on, go down.
93 over here. See, we are in this rejection zone, which I love, because this is where we should reject. Every other time price came into this area, we push back down. So who am I to say this isn't the time to do it again? Let's see. We're going to go fill these wicks here on the left. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh,
all right.
geez.
What the
Boy just got popped. Wow.
What happened? Was there any news?
Whew. Something happened.
Gosh, man.
Okay.
Well,
I don't even know what happened. Man.
Hey.
Damn. Ouchie. Well, listen, you know, that happens. Sometimes you're on the right side of that. Sometimes you're on the wrong. But
it's all good,
that's why you
man.
got a stop loss too, so that you can keep trading, right? I'm still alive. You know what pretty much happened? I pretty much lost 600 and change, made all the money back, and then lost it again at the last trade. So, boom. It's like nothing
it's all
happened.
good, man.
In an
It's
hour,
all
I'm in a
good.
circle. I'm right back where I started.
It's all good, man. If I had the Men in Black thing, I'd help you out.
Yeah. Well, chat, let's do this again on Wednesday, maybe with some superhero action this time.
Oh, shoot, man. They in for a treat. We don't know. What you got for the people? One last rip, man.
Listen, guys, stick with a strategy. Don't try to do anything to impress another trader or another person or another mentor. Just stick with what you see is working and believe in it and keep it moving. And that will give you to success.
Man, good trading, my brother, man. Look forward to seeing you Wednesday. Hey, man, man, it's Corey the Phone Trader and Forex Hype, man. We signing out, man. Peace out.
Let's go.